Yo, I'm testing on something here. When I hear me? When I hear me? When I hear me? Yo, I'm testing on something. Are you hearing me? Alright, when I hear me, good. Is it too loud? Is it too low? Tell me. Is it too loud or too low? Why aren't I sleeping? Is it too loud or too low? Is it too loud, too low, or is it perfect? Sounds perfect. Just right. Alright, good. I'm testing out a little audio, a little setup here, you know, a little special IG thing, you know? So, alright, Jagans. Well, you know about them something, you know. So if you say it perfect, then it's perfect. Alright, good. So wait, when I sleep at night time, I wanna up now. Eh? Gizmo, cause big up, who that? Gizmo. Yo. I wanna go on the bed. What go on? Yeah, give us some mix-up tonight. Nah, man, I'm ready for talk to you, man. I want to call in. I want to come link me. Just give me the link and make me know what I'm going. I have a look at setup here and whatever, so I test it out first, you know. Oh! What I go on, cuz? Alright, me see what I go on. Me see the link now. 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 Me say a word, man. Me say a word, man. Alright, my general. Proper cuz indeed. Yeah. The whole I wanna ask me, I'm not going on my bed and I'm not going on phone bed, you know? I'm not going on phone bed either. Yeah? Talk to me, man, in the night because I just set up a little IG thing, you know? It's only 8:30 where you are, 8:30, 11:30. Or you're in California or Washington, you're over on the West Coast. You're over up on the West Coast. Big up on yourself, man, see? Big up for big up, larger for larger pan thing. Pretty lady Jaffa boy, you're in your bed. You don't have any bed. um, 11:34 in Ohio? That can't be right. 11:34 in Ohio? No. It's 11:34 over here on the East Coast, so it must be the 11:34 the same time over in Ohio. That don't sound right at all. That not sound right at all. Ohio have the same time as East Coast Jaguars, like for real? You hearing about breaking news. I test something, man, and I love excitement too much. And I love Ray and all these things too much and whatever. Sometimes when I just bill, right? Keep it simple. But you don't want to get notification on the thing of some who post that about thing of some big excitement going as breaking news or something, you know? Or the time change in India. Oh, I honestly did not know that Ohio were at the same time as the East Coast. I learned something today. For some reason, I just always imagine Ohio like over in like, you know, kind of, I don't know, no, ignore that. I don't know. For some reason, I say Ohio like over India and a side over there, so, you know. Well, Sharon Burke and Popcorn, you know, so I'm not going to say nothing about that. I'm not going to say nothing about that, you know. Yeah, no, but people, you know, remember, you know, my mix up them, you know, me not really do celebrity mix up, you know, if anybody who really know Ragashanti, you know, so me not really do that celebrity mix up something there, you know. Me touch it, you know, like me always have some opinion about Kanye or something about, you know, with some of our local entertainers, our Jamaican entertainers and things, but for the most part, when I talk about drama, I talk about everyday lifestyle issues, you know? Like things that happen to people every day and whatever, not necessarily only prominent people or known people, you see? But what I want to do here is a kind of love connection thing and also a relationship thing, right? Love connection and relationship issues, any relationship drama, right, where I go down, right? That I want to do on IG. And then I can link me about anything else when I want to link me upon. Nah, just somebody I come in, you know. I could see where I go on this. Oh, okay. All right. All right, I'm going to try bringing. Sometimes I bring in people and I have no requests. Okay. Oh. Oh, so much crumbs there on my shirt. The crumbs are there on my shirt, you know, man. I know where you are seeing, you know. No, that near mix up the turn up, you know. She named Elaine too cute, you know. Yeah, man, she a sample, man. So she go on, man, and she talk up something them and thing, you know. That near mix up the turn over the show one night, yeah, man. Last night, you know. No, but when I need ladies, only thing man need for shave too. Only thing man need for shave. Let me see if this person come in because sometimes when I'm bringing some of the people, them not come in and I don't know why.
Mr. Stewart.
Where I say, Papa? Where I say?
It's me, Mr. British in the building.
Mr. British in the building, them for no.
No, it's actually Jason Blake.
What that?
I say it's me, Jason. What's up?
So where I say, Papa, me there juggle, okay. Man, you see, I do my thing same way, you know?
I'm kind of forwarding late, so I kind of missed the whole thing. What's going on?
No, but just come on still, you know. Yeah, man, but just come on, man.
Mr. Stewart, talk to me now, why pray?
You know, hear me?
Oh, okay, I'm thinking. Yeah, man, I hear about it.
You know, hear me?
Bad a little bit.
Oh.
Yeah, I think you guys did up on a specific topic or something like that.
Oh, no. Man, well, we did ask the ladies them if them things a man for shave too, you know? So, me, you know, I don't know.
I mean, shaving, it's a major thing, you know. Well, for me personally.
Yeah.
All right, for instance, a few days ago, come on the live and I never really shave up. You know, the facial hair never really shave up and
no, me done another shave that I talk about still, you know.
Shit.
Oh, the other shave we talk about, you see.
Okay. No, I just sit down and say, yo, me feel a little bit.
No, man, because shaving around the place now for the ladies, you know, because we're into that. The ladies for shave. So the ladies, some of the ladies must say the man them for shave too.
Yeah, I totally agree. I think we should take it more serious, you know?
What you think man for shave for the ladies them too?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Did you know that when after you shave, you actually gain a couple of inch or two? No, it is proven. It is proven. After shaving, it is proven that you gain an inch or two. So I strongly support that, you know?
No, but it's I think that is relative too, you know. I think that is relative, you know.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, that's gonna depend, you know, that's gonna depend.
Anyway, it was a great day. You know, I'm about to get off work now and go home and you know, get some rest.
All right, angle your business.
And fun, just start checking as usual, you know.
Cool, man. Angle your business here, sir.
All right, Mj, big up.
All right.
I'm big up the whole TamFam.
Long time.
Yeah.
See you then.
Cool.
All right, cool. Okay, you know what, man? I figure out how this thing are going, you know? All right, bring it on. Yeah, that's probably like a look. See how that are going, you know? I set up my IG thing proper and all these things and make sure say the sound, because the last time. No, well, you know them little stuff there, whatever, I figure whatever. Of course, you know, gain nothing. It just depends on how much, I guess, how much here, there, you know, whatever. You understand? So, well, yeah, you know, well, for those people, Colin, click, big up yourself, you know, TamFam straight down, them for know proper. Yeah, that's the thing there. Yeah. You know, want to self, man, for those who are not used to Ragashanti, sometimes you know, force the thing, you know. You're frightened if you know somebody run in and turn over the thing which sitting right in at the night, yeah, you know. Now, late night, yeah, you know. All right. Who there people man yard or people woman yard? Anybody who there people man yard or people woman yard, me could know what go on right, you know. Big up yourself, Biggs. Large up. Eh? Good, you know. My good man just a easy, you know. I cut and go through as usual, you know the levels. Everything is everything, you know. Proper thing, don't. What me say? Anybody there, woman, anybody there? Yes, so you don't know the levels, though. If you know there are people man yard and people woman yard, say, that's me. Once on the post and said, comment and say, that's me. Talk it truth. If there are people man yard, I hear there are people woman yard, say, that's me. Over my man grandpa house tonight. Money right tonight. What that mean, money? You there your man grandpa yard and you have some money right. I don't even know how to pray that, you know. Let me see, man. A person come in. Great things. What going?
No Puss. You know, remember me about who I go on.
Wait, the Puss from England?
Yeah.
Allah.
But they are trying to for me that JB British plate, so I realize that I see. So I come over.
Oh, yeah, bad girl Puss out. A long time in a chat to you, now I go on Puss.
That's that thing, my brother. That's that thing.
Seeing everything good?
Why you know me not complain, you know?
Seeing.
You just say ramping shot there. And jumping. Ramping shot there. Remember ramping shot? She should jump on there.
Alive, ramping shot there?
Yeah. Ramping shop stop follow me, but you want to drive me insane. Ramping shop, you want to mash up my brain.
What time in England now, Puss?
Oh, 4:30, I go 5. Me just my grandpitty them just wake me up. I just get a twin grandpitty, so me a baby sleep.
Oh, okay. Nah, man, so about 14 minutes to 5 now.
Yeah, about 5 o'clock.
And at them time, so what, you just wake up?
No, we wake up about 2 hours with the
Oh,
grandpitty and just
okay.
sit them up here and go and chill. I try to somebody at Jamaica and then me just where I go and me see her pop up.
Where you have one look man at Jamaica where you did have phone sex with them.
Oh, no man, that they pick up one rubbish truck. Hey,
You,
sexy prim. What one? I mean, I tell you,
wait,
say,
wait.
Raga, the man bring me down. Him bring me up, him bring me down, him bring me. Me say, Raga, me say, the man give me an international beast. Put all his in the dark. Yeah, me have to
Hold
stay
on,
in the
hold on,
middle of the dark,
hold on,
man.
hold on, man. So you pick up a man and you say the man was a rubbish truck, right?
No, me think say the man was a pedigree, and me think you know say a mongrel.
How I'm going, how I'm doing, broke your foot, how I'm going with, how I'm going with.
Oh, Mr. Ragashanti, the man bring down my clitoris. The man class me bad man.
What you mean him bring your clitoris? What you mean? Like, what him do?
Come rub me out, man, class me bad man. The man talk some things. So me only
Oh, okay,
have
yeah, him
one
kick.
panty and then blood
What him say?
clot there.
What him
Me
say
only
you
have
only
one
have one
panty.
jaws? Him
Yeah,
cuss you and say you only have one jaws?
yeah. Me a croft, me walk list. Say me shame, say me shame, and no shame I kill me raga. Yes.
No, but Puss, the brother the him not supposed to like because who no know you, but we know say and you have the thought them, and
All
you have the something them.
right, raga.
Nobody can
All
done
right.
you. And if you have said this a man have done you,
No,
then
nobody can do me. You know, you can't do me. I try. You know, just come and little stupid this, but me just laugh off and me just,
well
you know
me
that
not
already, raga.
seeing, but me not really too. But it sound to me like you're saying beat you.
No, man, I just want man behave like a pussy. You know them pussy, man,
Oh.
but me not, why? But me not really want to talk about, come tell you something, it's like a narcissist behavior. Me not want to talk about it, because next time I talk about it, him reach over here, raga, come give you a full interview, because one man enough like a dog shit, you know. So me get rid of that 2022, so me not want to bring in 2023, you understand?
Hold on, no postman, you don't know a ragga you chat to. When I say, him there England or him there Jamaica?
If they get deported and go Jamaica
I will
and then
get
he class me
the
so bad. And then me help him back again and bring him go Europe. And then me left him at Europe and then give me another class in again, man. That's a two double tapping give me, man.
hold on. And are you always a help him and thing and then him end up a deal with your wicked?
Yeah, man. Wicked man. And I think him sick in him have bipolar and schizophrenia, so a madman.
Or you feel, oh, to me, are you saying that you think he has schizophrenia and
No,
bipolar
he
or,
do. He
oh, he
do.
does?
Him did the
He
appointment
does,
for,
okay.
yeah. But me find out,
Puss, puss, puss. Like we lose the connection there with puss. Puss, you there? Puss. Oh, oh, me look like puss get cut off, you know. Boy, that thought that was shit that I give it to her. The year war go on. Pussy she help the man couple time well and thing and do so for him and all these things and whatever. And the man start class her up the most with pussy there. Let's see if I can post this up. Ah, wow, see I well and me bring her back in. Check. Post. man, I try to bring her back in, people, man. See what I go. Puss. Mm. You don't know, I go with IG now. You have to do that look something there and work with it, you know. I don't know what I go and do, but sometimes you try to bring in the people, man. It nah, bring them in, you know. You just have to keep on trying, you see me? Yo, but put people, me I tell you, you know, Puss, I don't know, and man, you know, you push, she pick up one garbage truck, and that, and the man she attack, you know. This page, JB British, oh, what on there? Oh, this got JB British. Boy, Puss, me see what you're saying, I say me for add it. JB British, but me not say, boy, wait, me can't follow you, you know. Alright, me I follow JB British Push, but me no. Oh, well, wait, let me see if me can. Alright, JB British, okay, alright, let me bring in that one now. I try to bring in the other one here, Puss.
Yeah, Raga.
Yeah, well, go on. Yeah. So, what I say, for you and a man, you know.
Raga.
Yeah, me I see you, man.
Chipper Wagwan.
Oh, you know what, Chipper?
Yeah, man, I'm dupes.
You dopes that. Say a word, man. So, what I say, people, you see Puss, you know, no follow no Puss, you know, but Puss a celebrity in England, you know. And Puss mouth light. Puss know the something them. Puss drop all two line pan you. You have to run with like teeth because Puss have all of the talk, them and thing or whatever. So, me don't know how Puss make this a man full of chats or whatever and thing and rub around. No?
Raga and
Pussy mouth light, you know.
Hold on. Type me that page upon it.
Oh, yeah, me see the other page there. I don't know if you can take it off.
Let me go do. Yeah, me lock it up.
Yeah, and Puss. Yeah, give a feedback, man. Turn off the other phone or something, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah. Your other page still up, you know. I don't know, you know.
Me lock it up. Won't have trail me for.
Why you linky, them are coming down.
Booster. Yes, Raga. Diva Wago.
Puss, how far bed you in?
Me na me one bed.
Are you
Bed
one
for
bed?
me.
Okay. Are your sheet clean and all these things?
No dirty. Cause dirt me live in.
But just, you know somebody named Kerry and Buford?
Think so. Must one of my friends.
Okay.
Buford. Carry on Buford.
I try to bring in somebody else and thing or whatever. So, Puss, tell me something I know. So, okay, so carry on, come. Carry on, you all right?
Yeah, mama, good man. Me can't good. Wagwan Puss.
Not a thing, darling.
Puss
Wagwan,
no
girl.
feel no way. Me can't relate to what Puss I say right now. No feel no way, Puss. We are all woman and a strong black woman like we are from the get-go. Some look out, even though you say him upstairs not good, me tell us something. You have some madman in that clean clothes. There are some people with them upstairs good and them come like some little sweetie boy. Puss,
Right there, so.
Puss, you say you do so for him. One will live right on top of me. When me do so for him, Puss. No shame not in our game because we are real big man. We are 38 years when we have 5 pitney. We are real hustler from Jamaica. You know no shame not in our game.
I tell you something. For me, It's just like a breeze in the wind.
Girl,
No, but hold on, carry on. What you do? How you help Mr. Man and thing? How you help him?
all right, no, all right. Me I talk to him from Jamaica. I come here before him.
Yeah.
Me come here, him there, North Carolina, Batapang, in a COVID. Help
Yeah.
nearly did all kind of things. Bring him across, you have to play for plane ticket, everything. I mean everything
Yeah.
pay for. Fly me
You pay for everything. Yeah.
fly me a job. Seeing them come and seeing them get him job. Me there, I walk. Now no time for myself, you know. Not even can bust a quickie, you know. You hear me a beat.
Even can bust a quickie once. So when I never did that do
You
it.
hear me a beat clock. Listen to me, Raga, me tell you something. Me too focus. Me say when we come in here, so me come
Nah,
back.
man, but hold on, carry on. Oh, you go fly, man, all the way from America, come to England, and you're not grind him.
He was here. I say he was
Yeah.
from North Carolina. You understand?
No, but what you, no, a while ago, you say you never have time for even a quickie, so you never grind, you never.
Listen, that don't even grind. Me dirty. Me say me come in at night time, sometimes that will be me can't bear. Front dirty. That's how hard me I go. Yeah, me say that's all.
Then hold on, so you know, wash it and dash out, you know, wash it and dash it out.
When I tell usually that Jamaica, me usually say to myself, American people nasty. They say they not beard. If we me I run it down, me say me get up a morning time, bloop, get my rag, put here on the pipe, put soap on it, wipe out, ready to go brush my teeth and gone again. And what you talk about? Eh?
All right, so what go on talk, so what else you do for man where I'm going with?
Why then I'm out. Somebody I know I'm coming. Then one night I'm look. You know, when you come in there, you sleep, you like wake up in time for just to see somebody come through the door. So me say where you come from. At this it was 5 o'clock. Me I come from Vine Virgin. So me say, oh, you turn Batman now. At 5 o'clock you come from Virgin. You just come here who you fi know.
Mm-hmm.
You understand? Book again. I'm come in just asleep on the sofa.
Yeah.
My daughter usually in up on her phone late at night time. Me up in the morning, my daughter say, Mommy, you know, say come last night and come after 2. Tired, you know, no know what go on. Me no while him, me love him.
Yeah.
Him come here, him not have nothing. When him come here, him say him no want a apartment. Me say, listen to me, me have pitney and you have pitney. You understand? Me have 3 pitney here. You have your 2 pitney in North Carolina.
Yeah.
When your 2 pitney them come and my 3 pitney come, have a 2-bedroom. What do all of it do? One go like a chink up in my 2, me say can't work.
Can't work.
Say to me go and set a plan for you.
Yeah.
Me say go and make a get an apartment. He must say, oh, me can't pay for it. Me say, listen to me, man, trust God. I mean him carry. And the work me I put in is that work only way you not have the work else and mess up yourself.
Mm-hmm.
So now I'm gonna go up at the office, come and the woman up at the office, the manager woman, you know, good. I mean, he must say him put here and him can't get. I go chat to the woman for myself. The woman I show me one woman him put up on the profile. Raga, me see me if I tell the woman say I'm data. You hear me tell you? Is that different woman him put panic because they ask you some stuff and him put up woman like an idiot. Instead of put up him pass him ID and him put up woman panny. Send go get the woman up at the office. So when the lady asks me up at the office, I say, Carry on, who is this? Me say me turn eat a lucky thing, so me good. For just shoot so as them
Hold on. The woman that who him put up, what was that for him workplace? Or what? Him supposed to be like his spouse?
The apartment.
Oh, the apartment where him I get. The apartment where him I get.
Yes.
Oh, so him put up that woman and they said that woman there and spouse?
But that never really, she never want that. ID did want. So I'm an idiot. So when the woman show me, now the woman I said, so me say quick, is him daughter. Poor me and him daughter that. Me say me fi ball out and say him daughter. Cause the woman I say, Karen, ain't easy, your boyfriend. I say, me say him daughter, me fi ball out and say him daughter quick.
No, but hold on, carry on. In the interest, I like, you know, time and think. What him do to you, though? What him do to you specifically?
They right in my house. And boy, me tell me burn up. Boy, me take out every bun out of the Jamaican shop round here. Stay right in the house and keep woman
So
right
hold
now.
on. Him bring woman in at the house. Him bring woman in at home, doesn't he?
Him not bring it in here. I could bring it in here. But
Oh.
me stay right here, so. Boy, when I have nothing, I floor me take him off. Some of me tell you something. Some of them men are no ambition, and them book ambitious woman, and going for idiot. You know me I say? And right now,
So hold on. You the help our next man again if it come on to it.
So me wiser. Right now, me wiser.
No, but you don't answer me. You the help our next man again.
No, me not certain about that.
You're not certain about.
I don't certain.
No, but Kerry, I'm big and serious, you know. You say you bring over the man and thing, and when I tell you, to like the way you work hard, you know, look sort out now, go on. We never have no intimacy between, you know. We never care about each other.
But of course.
So only did I do the things them?
Not on a regular basic.
Or like what? Once a week? Once a month?
Not even week to rat it. Sometimes all 2 weeks.
Oh, so like 2 times a month?
All that. To tell the truth, listen to me. Me really focus. Me really focused. And when he came here, he end up in the same position like me. I go hard. You understand me? I say?
Okay.
Some of them Jamaican man, them is not real. And when them come here, so that's why I'm not wrong enough girl enough to look for them. When them come here, so them quickly snap.
Oh, so right now you're not featuring a Jamaican man, a different country man you look, you know?
No, baby, I'm alright. I'm alright. I'm not featuring a Jamaican. No Jamaican.
No Jamaican. You're done with Jamaica man now.
No, for now.
For now. All right. So you find the body who you feature, you know, I look a man who your eyes right, you know, I look a man a draft here, you know.
Eyes the body, I'm taking.
Eh?
And I don't
Take it.
come in and me apply.
You take it?
Yes.
By who? Where that man come from?
He's American.
American. Okay. So you have an American over there in England.
No,
okay.
I'm not in England. I'm in the US.
Oh, you know, which state you in the US? Alabama, so and they bring it over from Carolina. Okay. I have American and they might do right by you.
Of course.
Nice. So you just a breezy Jamaican man them right and okay. Look like them just a go around the tip.
Give me stop. Like hey,
no.
Go on about your business, you know. But hey, them can't follow your pan down, you see? Sure. But no man, I really think when I not hear the
Mumma Spice come talk all the man. Mumma Spice come talk the things about the man do to you.
Listen to me. When I hear the Jamaican woman them.
Mumma Spice? What happened to Mumma Spice?
Mumma Spice, cause the whole we can't hold up here.
So she, Raga between me and you, she. Oh dear, Fram story not stop you. So I pick tile she take Fram man out and clean up shit.
Lucky, I'm
Raga face, such Raga face.
Well, no man, Mumma Spice, you have to come here with a Mumma Spice, you have to come give with a meter with the man where you take out a pit toilet and clean do and find man when you do to you. Enjoy do the back in your face. Mumma Spice, enjoy the do the back in your face. I want to go on this.
The funniest thing, when them left Vanguard and them realize say you know triple down and you this, the mother that come beat on my window, beat on my door. They say what could have cost like this?
I tell you something, Kerry. I don't have no time for spilt milk. That 2022. I'm in 2023 now. I'm gone.
Bruh.
Yeah, I'm gone.
Tell me, hold on, Puss. Tell me something. Nowadays, is it that Jamaican men have changed for the worse, or them change for the better, and you just never have no luck with them?
No,
you good Jamaican man.
I tell you this, Raga. I tell you this. It's not even Jamaican man. It's just people generally.
Yeah.
Have no loyalty. No matter the country they're from. I can't blame. Because I have some authentic people from Jamaica. We're real. We're so real. Well, them grow. Sometimes it's how them grow up and how them. You understand? So me can't blame say a Jamaican man this and a Jamaican man that. Because you have one Jamaican man with even better than man where they are foreign. So it's just people individual. They're not nothing to do with no country man. You understand, Raga? It's just some people now are
loyalty.
loyalty.
In general, like people just cool and look out for themselves and just use people and be things that go on out there.
Like, Jamaican man and Jamaican, this nothing to do with them. I don't think that is a problem. I don't think that is a problem. You know, nothing to do. Because you have some British man do the same and even the worst. You have some American man do the same and the worst. Some American girl. It's just people. It's an individual, each person. Because once you have love, you know, I have certain things, you know, there's certain places you're not going to go and there's certain things you're not going to do.
Proper.
So the end of the day, it's just people. It's just people is people. And hurt people hurt people. So me can't, I mean, I'm gonna make, if me, you understand, it's just me, no, say, the thing with me now, me just, every day you get older, you have to be wiser. Every mistake, you everything will happen to you. You don't have to take it as the worst thing. You know, sometimes you can use it and learn from that and be great from that. I know where to position your pole. Forget it. You understand? Forget your light. So, you know, the day I'm not gonna make you one dirty Jamaican, let me give up on all Jamaican. Because you have good people, just people in general.
Right. But it cool out there still, you know, it's like, I don't know, it's like, make me sense, yo, here one. You see that something look like Kerrigan? No, what may I say is, you said, I think it is less the case right now where people feel like, say, while you have a lot of people out there in stable relationships and they're doing really well, and because they're doing really well, you know, them don't get that attention because it's not sensational, it's not crazy, it's not entertaining, no mix up, no dead. So you have a whole heap of people that live happy life and, you know, give thanks to them. But what I say is, at the same time, there is a bunch of things that go on out there in a society where the way a relationship, a good relationship used to design, it's not designed that way there again.
No, it's not.
And it did it on both sides. It did it with man and woman, you know. You know, I put it this way. You know this whole thing about falling in love. I want if people that tell the play and say, oh, man, I don't love something there anymore. I don't depend on something there.
And the thing with me, Raga, me will like you, love, but me not in love with you. So the end of the day, me just love this, maybe love the way you treat me at that minute, or the way things are going. Sometimes right now, sometimes we get caught up in a even negative energy. Sometimes I love all the person with the negative energy. But if you love somebody really, love is something where it's not easy to take away. You understand? Sometimes you just love somebody, but you're not in love with them. So that's the difference.
Yeah, I understand that. But what I'm saying is, I want to use a language where you are used. I think a lot of people know they must say, boy, the way the world are run and in terms of them needs and what them want and what them not want. Nobody in this, I'm in love with you and committed to you forever and forever, and you are my forever. Now, but a lot of people are not something anymore. You know, it's like
I don't think that is there.
Yes, some people say be good company, you know, take care of your responsibilities, then do some good sort out and thing. And if you go on with certain thing like whatever, people have a problem. I say, okay, bye sir, bye mom, keep it moving, I pick up somebody else.
Remember before, back in the days when we are grew, people, them there was love because people try to work out situation. Now, as you and somebody have a problem, now them bring it to Instagram and bring it to social media because social media now is where the love there for them. And it's where they get their justice. You understand, Raga? Like me say, with me now, Raga, with me now, me dedicate myself to my children and my grandchildren. You understand? So me dedicate myself, all my love is with my children and grandchildren. So if me dealing with somebody, like Raga, me like them in love, but I don't know where, me not go in there with my 2 foot.
Right this, sir. Right this, suppose.
Me not put in my 2 foot, so at the end of the day with me, Raga, me love you and leave you.
What that mean?
Like say, all right, say me love you, but don't believe say you're gonna take the piss with me and me gonna sit down and say, oh, true me love you.
Yeah.
No. Once me say yeah, take the piss, once me Raga see, me gone. Me not they love something or there's something for me when me I go, I become me love you, me I go stay. No.
Yeah,
Because
yeah.
person when me dedicate myself to, when my 2 foot and 2 and is in my grandchildren them.
See it there, see
Yes.
it there, see it there.
And as me tell a lot of people a lot of time, no man when me there with can ever walk out for me because me not give that chance. Because once me say, yeah, miss, me gone.
Post.
Me not give the chance.
Post. Fuck create chat. Yeah, when no man no left you. No man no left you.
I never left me, Raga. No man, no boy.
Puss,
As
you
God
left
Moses, never.
Puss. A man, couple man must
Raga,
left you.
no,
Me not say
Raga.
you not
Me must say,
left
Raga, you know. Beware of this, Raga. Me not take no whole heap of man from me a growing up.
Me
Me not
know,
even take any man.
me know. But on the Jamaican people,
No,
and no man
Raga.
never left me yet. No man, man left your Puss. Man
No man
left
never
you.
left me yet,
Man
Raga.
left your Puss. Man left you. You tell lie. You tell
If I'm
lie
lying,
for
I'm
your body.
dying. If I'm
What?
lying, I'm dying. No
Right.
man never left me yet, but always
Yes,
come.
sir. Sorry,
I'm not lying.
Puss, well on the carry. Well on the Puss. For you take man, no man never left you yet, Puss.
Me say me not take no whole heap of man. You
Me
deaf?
never say nothing about one heap of man. Me say from you take man. Me I say no man never
No man
left you
never
yet.
left me. Always leave them, Raga. From me see the red flag, me gone.
Right. That's
From his sister, Raga, let me tell you, from his sister, certain things we used to do cut down and so in a weird, because I guess the thing will be developed, Raga, from me a little girl. From his sister, my attention gets small. When me the Raga, me distant myself. So once me if you used to call me, my sister they call him, cut down and so me stop call you, me not call you, you have to call. Them something that me develop, so me no man never leave me.
Puss.
Yeah?
That the problem means a couple time man left you and at that time you start drive, you got ease back. Well man, no Puss. That the problem means a man left you, but I went after the man left you know you ease off and I go like say you are left the man. When the man done left you already.
No, neither that, Raga. Because they left me, me never know then. Well, me never know then.
Well, you say if the man left you never.
Oh, that sound, Raga. Oh, that sound.
That bad. So the other man used to talk, and the man I say, go ahead, me left you. And the man I say, and then you can say, you left me. When you left me, me never know. You're lucky.
Yeah.
And me left you.
Yeah.
Yeah, that bad.
All right, Raga.
So Kerry.
Yes.
Man never left you
No,
yet.
man never left me yet.
Jesus God in the lie, man. Yo, me could a Jamaican woman lie so. The amount of Jamaican woman me never say, oh, no man never left me.
I recall my son, but my first son father, me left him. Now, after me left my son father from country, me there with a boy at town, and me left him, I find out say, listen to me, me's a country girl, and me loyal, me dedicated. Listen to me find out so the boy born me again. I still am awesome. I realize everything I say that I go on. I beg on my place. I say, all right, you know, and she must stop. I want something for rent my place. I left him again. I stay one again. I there with one next one. My third son father, him are the next one. I left him. I twin them with a Jamaica theme for them father, and I left him. When I come and say them things, I say, I'm going to stay for 1 little month and make some money. But just call it when you catch the third month and say, I'm not coming back. Right.
Raga, me not wait for boy for left me, Raga. I'm soon.
Listen,
No,
Raga, we know the sign, you know. We know the sign. And you say, if we don't left them, we're going to stay right there, so.
And be a clown. Me, right there, so Kerry. And Raga ain't bragging, though.
And when them things, so we still did it and did it with them. We are getting a little nookie. When them now look power, we well sort out.
Raga ain't bragging, though. Ain't bragging, though. But like I said,
yeah.
You know, guys never leave the gorilla dolly and no boy. You crazy?
Why you text it for me and go tonight?
What you mean? When I text it for the cause when I tell lie, body left it to her already and thing, body left it to her thing, but not
one
lie.
body can put up them hand for that.
What?
You're crazy.
What?
Not one can put up them hands to that as a story them and make up. Raga, me not ask you, me I tell you, Raga.
Listen to me.
Tell you.
Listen to
no
me.
Boy, never
Listen
leave
to
that
me.
Dahlia.
No found a Jamaican woman. Me tired for you, Jamaican woman to chat about. No
Raga,
man never let me
Raga,
No man
Raga,
never
me
let me
son,
get
my
that
own
thing.
children.
Listen,
Raga, you know, say me have 3 baby father, me leave the 3 of them. And I made them first baby mother. And every man with me always take ever wife me up, ever have me up. Let me tell you something with me, Raga, as gorilla me is. As me take a boy, if him have 3 women in position myself, and every week me go up to me be number 1. You crazy? Me not even take second best, Raga. You crazy?
No. This is not found. No, keep it real. No, keep it
Raga,
real,
me
baby.
keep it real, Raga. Raga, you should have known, say me
Hold on,
100 keep it real.
Puss. So you tell me, say you never in a side woman position yet and you stay there.
Never, Raga.
Where side I go? Where side
Me
I
never
go?
Bumper class to the
in a
line, man.
side
Where side I go?
All right, you can stay there.
Side I go?
That's why I not have no man now. Me sell little front now and there, every now and then. But me no, me crazy, Raga. But me go be in a side relationship. Me rather sell little front.
Right, let's go.
Yeah.
Yeah.
When I go pick up, me said me I go in a girl relationship for what? Me rather sell the man little crutches and me know say I sell more time in come eat and in belch. And me say, yeah, pay me and gone. That's it. Inside, we don't do that something there, Raga.
Hold on, Puss. What me I say is, you never in a position yet where you deal with a man and him a treat you right, him a spend by you, him have good body, make you talk in a tongues and whatever, and him have a upfront woman where you know a theme bona fide woman that and you just go and clutch, cause you know where you are get out of it and thing, and you go and work with it. You never in that position there yet, never ever yet.
No about that, Raga. Me know in time I did it young, in my teens before me breed. Me used to take big man, we have money having big long time, man. But come like I did the wife, because I know the man them are the young girl and then I out and bout. So you know, say I did have the position, so me still like I did run things. Because I did young and fertile. And
so hold on. You never stay in a side woman position yet.
Never.
And and a man never left you yet.
As God met Moses.
Jesus. And the same thing with you, Carrier.
Pardon?
And the same thing with you.
I never stay in a side position yet. I stay a side position. But for how long?
No,
but
no,
that's
better
right. If
all
you
man.
want
You just
to,
want to ever set yourself in you ever be a side.
Of course,
side chick.
Of course, honey.
She be a side chick, but not me.
Honey.
You there?
okay. But no man never left you yet.
No, honey. Why?
No, honey. No,
No,
honey.
honey. No, honey. Blood
No,
clot.
honey.
No.
I thought them.
God. Well, at least, carry on. Carry on. You believe Puss?
Come on, no boy and a girl can beat me right there.
Well, on, carry on. You believe Puss? Puss said she never stay in a side chick position yet, and a man never left her yet. You believe her?
When Puss is up, Puss back out them girl then, and she come. You can't do that, you know. You can't listen. You can't go there as a side chick, you know. But we can billiards, you know. You understand me? I said them girl they end up stay you aside, you know, and you end up become first, you know.
Let me tell Raga me do and him dead as well like I eat to him big and say big.
Well, I know that, you know, when you say you turn that in a mate, turn the wife in a mate, we know that's something, right?
Raga me turn bonafide in a X. Where you talk about?
When you say you turn bonafide in a X, don't? No. I'm not saying that don't exist, you know. That happens. I know it happens, right? I'm just saying I find it interesting. Well, hear me. Enough time when I was sure, I was said to the crowd, yo, bad mind exists. If you know what's a bad mind exists, put up your hand. Everybody put up their hand. We say wicked people exist. If wicked people exist, put up your hand. Everybody put up their hand. So I say, all right, anybody in here who bad mind, put up your hand. Nobody no put up their hand. So everybody will tell us a bad mind exists, but nobody no bad mind. Right? Nowadays, you go at some place and you ask a man, you ask a man them, all who swipe, put up on the hand, no man now put up them hand. And then you ask a woman them, all who get swipe, put up your hand, every woman a put up them hand. So what I say is, if people let me upfront with certain things and whatever, and I'm going to find a Jamaican woman, well, a Jamaican woman would have something me about, no man never left them yet, or them left man or whatever. Enough Jamaican woman don't lie, man.
Well, Raga, I can't talk for them. I can't talk for that Dahlia right, yes, so. No boy never left me yet. Now, ask you, me I tell you, no boy can. Let me tell you, Raga, let me tell you the thing with me. As me say, Raga, from, you see, through me grow so rough and tough, and me have to fin for myself from a little, I know the street-wise, from day one to day two, and me, when the things, me make sure put up the Jericho wall in front of me. No boy not gonna hurt that, tear down the wall, yeah.
Okay, Miss Way, yes, Miss
So
Way,
my
yes,
wall
but
is so strong.
but you know, being tough on them thing and whatever, and being strong and then being impervious to certain emotional thing where we break down other people, that no means that a man never left you.
But that I don't give them the chance, Raga. As I said, Raga, as I see, from me see less movement and certain things, Raga, observation of certain things and less call certain things, Raga. I don't wait on you. I take myself away. So when
you're gone.
Me gone, Raga. Me know when you call me want answer the call, and me not answer, Raga. Me say when blood clot you call me for. When you call me, say wait. Me say no, me can't talk to you now. Me talk to somebody and all of that. So me, Raga, ain't bragging though. Me always make boy have to eat me up back. You crazy?
Well on. When you left a man, them ever draw back for you?
All the while, Raga. All the while.
Puss. You start to turn up.
But I'm so.
Puss, how are you there?
All right. You just answer the question.
Me start out, what I mean by my gorilla glue.
Yeah, you gorilla glue if it turn up.
Turn right up. You know your man can class me for me something and bring me down for me something.
For your front, can them say your front good.
Mad out.
Mad out.
Yeah. Class them all from the mad out.
Right. So any man get that off a drawback feet and thing, right?
Yeah, I just mean I want them back. I just mean I go backward.
Yeah.
So no man left you, or you left man, and when you left man, a drawback for you because them want you back.
Every time.
All right. I'm not going with what you're saying. But me I going where you're saying, I'm also got to listen, you know, and if I lie, you tell God, I go box in your ass and give you a lock jaw. And give you a lock jaw.
I know that. I know that.
Okay.
Raga, I'll tell you something, you know. The thing with me value myself. Sometimes me there with a man in a Raga, I may do sentence with you. And Raga, you will do me the worst thing sometimes I do, I may still just go on shub. But it's when me make up my mind and shub out, that's it. But the end of the day, Raga, when me I leave you, me left you without me left you dry. If you have money, me take the liberty. Let me tell you something about Raga.
You take your liberty.
Me take the liberty 1 and 2 times. You know, if me a gain from it, like when me do with my baby father, catch him when want me keep him money. He will sleep out. Me like when him sleep out. I like when he do the things because every money when him have me take that. I lock him out. So me not have no problem because me a gain. So each time him do the thing, me not even come a time, me not even pay it in mind, Raga. And me just have bill off home and I save all time. Because remember me sit down now. So when time I do the things, him keep doing it very regular now. Because him just put on the money and know say it gone. And him ask me for the money. Him even ask me for. So me know say no, that when it come, when me make up my mind fully, and me say me done now, and me done. Me have to come. Remember me come, remember you go accept me back up on the radio station, cause go on bad forget 3 days, you remember? And
yeah, remember back in the idea, yeah.
Aye. And he wanna go. All me throw him out, do the thing, me have to come, me have to come Black Road by a radio station, every radio station in England. And that's how me get 3 days. So see, brother, I'm not be forgot, I'm not lying.
See.
When me say, me stand up on my feet now, and me can do my thing now, me make me know say, well, time to go.
Proper. Well, me they are juggling. I'm gonna see me can bring in some other people and what a reasoning with them and thing, you know. But Puss and Kerry and big up on
Big
it.
up yourself.
Big up on yourself, you know. Respect for the role too, you don't know.
Big up some people.
Big up who you want big up.
Big up everybody. You don't know where they are Ragashanti show. You know, say the realest and the best. For years, my long time friend, we've been coming for Raga so many years. So we got to come out next month, so you know that we're gonna meet up again. Make sure you have the ticket. Them come, I'm gonna give you a ticket. I'm a friend party. I come host. Hey, it's a Bogle Shop, my nice clean sister Bogle Shop. Big up yourself, V. Big up yourself.
No, hold on. Let me tell them about that. You know, Friday, February 3rd, people. Me there East London, I host Lottie party, me linky party and things. So, you know, England people no roll out for that. You know, we hear the venue and thing, and we hear Puss just talk about it again. It's a thing name exclusive. When you can get ticket for your party for event, right? Exclusive, all right? Lottie party, Friday, February 3rd, Ragashanti in London. I host a party, the sound need to come out that one day go nice and jiggy. Because you don't know from Mr. Wash Belly that they know the thing proper. You understand? So put on clean clothes. You understand? Put on clean clothes. Be it properly. Be it properly. If you can use 2 different soap, make sure so you soap back of your ears, because when you hug people, let me smell back of your ears and all these things and whatever. If you're going to wear an outfit where your back out and all, and make sure so you scrub your back. If you can't reach your back, get somebody scrub, because when people are hug you and rub them on the dirt that come off of your back, right? And remember, say sometimes when you put on a thing and you cool and sitting, when you see the dirt, but I went look a sweating one when you not dance the dirt, come off and things, and make sure so you clean and come to party proper and make we enjoy ourselves like we usually do. Okay? All right. Friday, February 3rd, Ragashanti in London. Them for know. Big up. And big up Janet Benbow. Big up Shabba. Big up all of London. All of England. The Birmingham people.
Let's go inbox her so she know about the party. Come in and see her from money. Make her tell Alice to them.
Who?
Janet. So Janet.
Man, she know about the party, man. She know about the party.
Judgment.
Well, I'm big up everybody up at Derby where the big Obia Mixup did bus, the tying mix-up, the big tying Obia Mixup did bus at Derby up at England, they big up on yourself.
Mix-up, Raga?
Now I'm big dirty mix-up for the bus, but I'm sure oh, you never hear about that. It stinky, take over the whole of England. I'm surprised you never hear about it.
No, true, maybe Obia, I mean, true, me did not the bagger and the man tete, so
yeah,
that
man.
focus.
One woman, you know, Obia the dan, tie the dan and all kind of thing. I want Obia man and thing down here, down at Jamaica and be a sitting and thing. Them go down and be a pen cemetery, go get duppy bone and all them father and Obia the man and put this and that in a fridge and one bag of something. You never hear about it. Derby. You know a place in England named Derby, right?
Derby.
Up there, so they are up there. Years ago, man. You know, remember one brother used to call me show him Punto Luntun?
Yeah, what happened to him?
Me don't know. Shabbat tell me say him good enough. So a Punto Luntun did boss him Shabbat. Well, a Shabbat did boss him mix up and make. I must hear it from Punto Luntun, and then the whole thing just did that mix up. They did run for like 2-3 weeks on the show.
So they pull the man.
Well, how it go again? Yeah, because here I know. How it go then the man where did Obia and tie the man to the woman. Them find the link and Shabba that for tell you and them send back somebody, them send somebody go to Jamaica and the man pull the Obia, pull the link pan the dan and then the dan sitting on it. That kind of something it go to. One,
but you believe in that?
But one big dirty something, man. I true me no remember. So I just want big up. You know remember DNT up at Derby, man. DNT.
So long years been watching, you know.
Yeah, no, years ago that. Yo, Puss. You know say what dear somebody said something when I call the name or whatever. Yeah. And apparently online, because they might do them thing online. And somebody in the comments say, what you are talking about? Ragashanti the first Jamaican come online and do them something. What you are talking about? And then, well, and then Cross, you know my DJ, Chris Cross. And Cross said to me, Bossy, you know, sir, you are the first Jamaican really come online and do that something for you. And I said, Jano, you know, so I never really a pre and thing. I want that. That be a whole man in 19 now, man. I want to take pussy that one that year,
yeah, you said it.
I hear that we
always said it. Even cheese always said it. Always said it.
When me I do show online, we did have to do it for one thing named Ustream. YouTube don't even take off yet. YouTube don't even take off yet. Right? We did have to do it for one thing named Ustream. And that's how we must out there. Yeah, that's how we must out there, you know. Yeah, them days there. Shell the thing, you know, but suppose big up yourself, you know, because I don't know. You see me?
Right, that's all.
Yeah, man. Love and bless you. One last question I'm gonna ask you before you go do. Are you not for say no? Just yes or no. You and your sister them good now?
Yeah, man.
All right, cool. Leave it right this. Leave it
even
right.
Even me and cheese good right now. Cause you don't know I love you. Yeah, enough time me and cheese upon life. I love me I deal with, you know.
Nice. Nice. Me like that. Me like that.
I love over eat, you know. You understand? Love me I deal with.
No, man, me like that. Me like that. Big up yourself, man. I say a word here. Love you in a Puss. Bless up yourself, all right?
Let me big up my people, them.
Yeah,
hey, good body diva, big up yourself. Mumma Spice, Pretty Dan, V, Bogle Shaw, City World, Banrich. So many people. Dimple, Simone, Puppetail Guy, your bed. Can I call up Ramping Shops? Ramping Shop, that's in Annette Rabbits, big up yourself. Adar. They should come talk the things.
Hold on. Which Ramping Shop? You have a Ramping Shop or run Brooklyn?
I hear a Ramping Shop, but we used to down here for sure. A good time for everybody.
Remember, say we have a Ramping Shop or run Brooklyn in a
theater. Cross and Stevie.
What's your name?
See how she name? Annette Robinson Stallion.
Annette Robinson.
Yes, everybody big up yourself. You don't know. And
when Mumma Spice now come tell me about the man what you take out that pit latrine.
Yeah, you need Ada.
What you Mumma Spice, me not see her.
I don't know. Listen.
All right. Simone Puppetail, big up yourself, you know. Proper thing. Annette Robinson, a Ramping Shop that.
Yeah, Annette Robinson. I said, Mumma Spice, call in, come tell him about the man we take out of the pit now. Progressive, big up Ben. Come, Mumma Spice, Beverly. Come, man.
And I don't want to be telling DJ Rai. Big Puss. Big up DJ Rai from IrieJam Radio. Big him up.
DJ Rai, big up yourself. Ragashanti, big up all of the Ragashanti crew. Big up my long time crew, my TamFam, go and follow me page. TamFam, big up on yourself. Here's me not soon hear from on, but you don't know one love.
TamFam strong same way, man. Strong same way. Big up yourself, man. All right. I'm going to see if I can bring in the one Mumma Spice, because we want to hear what go on, all right?
Yeah, man, I should bring up, and bring up Annette.
Annette Robinson, all right. Let see what go on in it.
All right,
Puss. Love and bless.
Love everybody, one love. I don't know why them people are follow me up, you know. Everywhere me go, them follow me.
I know your thing up there.
No, rather, why them have follow me? Let me hit me.
Ramping Shop, what go on?
Talk to me, just coming in after the
look fine and thing, it look like you work for sure. I make sure so you're not one of them who walk around and I put on scrubs and you know work no way, you know. Oh.
Raga.
Yeah, but let me see if we're going to pampas, you know, Raga pampas, shower now, you know.
A pampas shower now.
I put our teeth in a water, in a cup at night time.
Shall we pampas and I put our teeth and dentures in a water at night time, dog?
Yeah,
it's serious.
Yeah.
It's serious. Hold on. I want to over your head the Ramping Shop. I want a picture. I want the bomb clad. It's Ramping. Yo, you know easy, you know. Proper.
That's my competition, honey.
See
my competition.
Yeah.
You see, the one and only Ramping Shop, aka
Sing the
Plaza,
song for
nobody
Raga.
can't
Sing the
stop and
song
the
for
boy
Raga
can't stop.
Ramping.
My name, and my name can't change. My name coming like Nike and Adidas. My name sell itself.
Raga,
Laugh,
just sing
laugh,
the
laugh,
song.
laugh, laugh.
No, more
Raga
I hear
got
the
the
song.
song,
More I hear the
Raga,
song.
black
More I
them
hear
You
the
master,
song.
forget
Raga.
in the member it.
Oh, them a
Boss
talk about
one.
boss. Boss one. Only boss me know the era buster. Which part you find him down Jamaica? None of them can go there, then can't come back here. Sit down and call me name pan corner. You are waiting for the
Hey,
bus, but the tire puncher. You throw me pan the pink
hey,
wall, the thing get bigger. And a ramping shop, a ramping plaza. Anything me do, some girl wanna follow. In case you never know, you can't take me swagger. Me are the only big woman I want naked. Me nah follow nobody. Raga.
No, DJ Ra, you need to get that one I don't play.
yeah,
DJ Ra, you need to get that IrieJam radio one I don't play. Lock or
yeah.
seal. What boots?
Raga. Many rise, many fall. Many rise, many fall,
See
but me
there.
solid as a rock. Me keep me team
See
to the top, so me
there.
solid as a rock. Me leave my past in the back when you come for me,
See.
What's
solid
your
as a
song? I
rock.
get one hip up
Looking
there,
forward, never look
back. Them
back,
say
me
pull
solid
up,
as
pull
a
up.
rock. You understand me, Raga? Raga, when nobody go back in your past, you know, I'm
See
intimidated
there.
by your present,
See
you know.
there. See there.
Right? And them have a thing where them call name growth.
Yeah. Growth, yeah.
Growth. And if you're not growth,
Yo, what is
you're not the
Ragamoto?
future.
What is Ragamoto? Laugh, learn, and what? Grow. Laugh, learn, and
Listen.
grow.
And grow,
Well,
yeah, grow. Learn and grow. Some
I'm
people
pinch
don't have
shop.
no
DJ
growth in
Rice saying want it forward, you know, so you have to run it back, you know. The man has buy a badge, so you understand. He probably buy a little $5 badge and things, so it have to run again. Star a star, you know, artist a artist, so run it again. Oh, I hear it again.
All right, DJ. Right. When the girl them a look a
Yeah,
bus, I need them come to first. When the man them a look a bus, I
yeah.
my name them call up first. Them a talk about bus. Bus one. Only bus me know the era buster. Which part you find him down Jamaica? None of them can go there, then can't come back here. Sit down and call me name pan corner. You are wait on a bus, but the tire puncher. You throw me pan the pink wall, the thing get bigger. And a ramping shop, a ramping plaza. Anything me do, some girl want follow. In case you never know, you can't take me swagger. Me are the only big woman that want naked. I mean, nah follow nobody. Me are the only big woman that want naked. I mean, nah follow nobody. Such an easy to follow, it not easy to set. If you think I lie, just put me to the test. This is one big woman who will take off my dress. And I don't give a fuck if you want to get vexed. Just smile a while and give it. Hey, Raga. Last laugh.
Yo, more answer to the young ones them
Last
out
laugh,
there. You see them
boss.
woman who me a chat to, and I know them they out there, and me not beat nobody, but enough people come and go and mash up and favor whole drum and all them thing there. And you see these ladies away there, are better than them in the thing, and you know, look better than enough of the people them out there now who claim say them a trend and them a this and them a that. I'm pretty sure big up yourself, you
You
know.
know, hear me say, Raga, listen to me. Dog fuck me. Puss fuck me. Cow fuck me. Hog fuck me. Goat fuck me. Everybody fuck me in the one pussy. And everybody want know who a fuck me. You know that pussy the trending.
Yo, Ramping Shop. What you think about this whole dolly body thing we take off and thing? I mean, I say, what am I going? What did they when Ramping Shop about all them something? What you think about?
But Raga, listen, you see
Yeah.
the dolly body thing, Raga. You have holy pad dolly, you know, you have Obiaman dolly. You have nursing home dolly. You have scarecrow dolly.
All
The
right.
nursing home dolly, you know. Now the nursing home dolly, you have scarecrow dolly. Because some of the dolly, when you see them frightened for. And some of the dolly, them are Obiaman dolly. You only find them in a March and Hyatt and Robinson drugstore. They go past Spanish Town. Only them only come out when to make people like sad and mash up people's
See
future
that?
and them fuck with it, you know.
Yeah.
You understand me now? But you see, nursing home dolly, I think it's one of the best dolly because if you go in the nursing home, half of the patient and the resident them in the nursing home, they keep a doll or a stuffed animal because it brings them joy and comfort and peace of mind and happiness. So me at the nursing home dolly because me bring joy I'm going to bring peace of mind. I'm just make a comfortable in yourself. You understand me? So I'm the nurse now. You understand me? I come from now. I'm not afraid to put on my pampers. Because me want piss in my pampers by myself. Me don't want a girl piss in my pampers.
Hold on. Me think I can't post that job for you. Wear pampers, you
It's on your pampers showing ramping shop on your
what?
teeth. Can't think that good.
No,
No,
Hey man, I know where you come from.
hold on. Where you wear pampers
Where
for?
you come from?
no, when I come from, I talk, so I'm going to put
No,
on my pampers.
why you wear pampers? Why you wear pampers?
Ramping shop showing now. Well, I raga. Ramping shop showing. Can't think I joke.
Me I get used to, Raga, me I get used to putting on my pampers because remember pampers were
Ramping shop showing now. I stop talking.
So me I get used to put on mine because the first thing them I gonna tell you, you know, when them say them a class, the first thing them say this all man. This dirty old man. So me like to tell them, me all. So me I put on my pampers, my pussy grey. And then me dry like down a desert. The only time me bleed is when a man cut me and me cut my blood clot self. You understand me now? But at the same time,
it's good. It's nice. Down the good same way down. Well on, down the good same way.
Truth. No, me not. Listen,
you can't keep our bladder.
Me not reach the bladder urge yet, you know. Me just get into it. No, Keisha.
Put on your pampers, man.
Me not reach to say Keisha. Me can't keep Keisha. Keisha, don't do me that, Keisha. Don't do me that.
I'm pretty sure what Keisha said a while ago. What Keisha said.
Weak. I can't keep.
So me can't keep my brother. No, Keisha, don't do that, Keisha. No, do that, Keisha. Can the pampers now run right here, no, Keisha. Yeah? The pampers now run here, no, Keisha. Don't do that, Keisha. The pampers now run here, no, Keisha. Don't do that, Keisha. I see me come from work, I'm not coming out. Keisha, don't do that, Keisha. I'm going to do 8 hours, Keisha. I know pampers
Keisha
now run, Keisha.
Brighty,
Don't do that, Keisha.
Keisha
Don't do
Brighty,
that, Keisha.
seat there,
Don't do that,
seat
Keisha.
there. Don't do it,
Don't do that,
Keisha.
Keisha.
Don't do
The
it.
pampers now
Don't do
Keisha.
it.
Don't do it,
Don't
Keisha.
do
Don't do
it.
it, Keisha. Don't do it,
Don't do it.
Keisha. Sit there. The pampers now run, Keisha. Sit there. The
Yeah.
pampers now run, Keisha.
Yeah,
Don't do
Keisha,
it,
don't
baby.
bright. Don't bright.
But when I'm ready, I put on my pampers because of this, I'm thing there. My thing there for the pampers. If you can't wear pampers, don't come for me.
Yeah.
You understand me now?
Yeah.
Yeah. Because I know every woman look good in them pampers. Some of them frightened full in them pampers.
See?
Some of them pampers don't look good. Period. Point blank, Raga. You don't know shame there in my thing. That's my thing.
Man, big up yourself in a ramping shop because you know the saying in a Jamaica, Ray, a long time big man and whatever, right? You know?
That's why I do it like this. I do it, that's a Raga. Listen on me do it, Raga. The first thing I'm gonna say, this long time big man. Right? I'm never make them know, say. No shame in my game because guess what? 56.
See there?
No shame in my game.
Yeah.
With the 7 kids there. Right? Me no
right.
shame for tell us my pussy have great ear. Me no shame for tell us the only time me bleed is
all right, so you're done with menstruation.
Me no afraid to tell us my pussy dry because anytime you see a stop bleed, your pussy dry. Dry like a desert. So me I tell you my one first. But me I tell you say me go to the test because I want to draw for me more than you.
Maddie.
So number one, my pussy always I get AIR ear. It always I get ear. You understand me? Because my belly no sign contract with my leg.
Your belly no sign contract with your leg, so them not meat. Nah meat, okay. Okay.
Them not meat. Them is not no Puss company. And me can tell you it's easy to fix. Very easy to fix. My way real and my way fake because my body trend me pussy can advertise anything. Because before me pay a man for stay, me make the doctor knock me out and wait me for me before and after. So it's when them go come, the first thing them say all. But me go tell them to but I might teach them. Me no put them in the glass and sleep. Them no wake me up a man time. I say,
are your teeth them there? I know. Okay.
My own. Okay. But it was a pleasure, Raja.
Blessings,
Raga, you don't know, Raga.
man.
Listen to me, Raga.
Mama Spice,
You don't know,
you
say,
come on.
the thing that and the thing
See
that
there.
for a while. I know my thing that you're traumatized. Me not traumatized your ears, Colin. Don't say that.
No,
Your
no,
ears
no,
can't
pay him them.
traumatize a
No,
child.
man, him
Welcome
a
to the real world.
foundation, man. Original Portmore link that, man. Him a foundation, man. No. Yes,
Welcome
see
to
it.
the real world. Guys, the real world is when a woman know where she stand
Proper,
and can stand up for
proper.
herself, eh? And when me can tell you about me before you tell me about me, you ever watch the movie Eminem's? Eh? Him takes us in class
Yeah,
himself first. Right? So me I
yeah,
tell you about me. So then when you can tell me
yeah.
about me, then they tell you about me.
I want them know about them technique. Them one time I take them, well, I know my answer. I say, what you say about big nose, big head ragga? And what you say about me now? What you say about big nose, big head ragga?
No, man, you know, yeah, me make sure tell you say, dog, fuck me puss, fuck me cow, fuck me hog,
Yeah,
fuck me. Everybody fuck me like the one pussy. I wanna still want to know what fuck the pussy. The pussy trending.
yes.
Right? The pussy trending. Cause when them murder them say, no man not own me. No man never stand up side of me. No man never take a picture
I
with
saw
me.
them a
I may say
class, you.
then if all that, then if all that go
A
on.
pussy check,
A man never
hygiene
take
check.
no picture with me. No man not own
Y'all
me.
your
And no
pussy,
man not want me.
you
Right?
pussy,
Listen,
you fit check.
but
Pussy
you still want to know
check,
what fuck me.
Yeah.
It's trending.
hygiene check.
What
No,
that
one of the
trending?
reasons we may always give them is that when time them come with the bantanic and them something, them I say, if you're in a entertainment or you're in a the public sphere, it's when nobody no see you. At that time, you know say something really not go on for you.
But
But you see people always a talk about you
Booyaka.
and I done you and think
Booyaka.
whatever and this and
Booyaka.
whatever and think you know say
Booyaka.
something not go on for you. That's why them
Booyaka.
always a talk. It's when them not
Raga.
see you. It's when
Raga.
nobody not see you and not notice you. Then you know say nothing not really go on for you. But even when them are done you and them get up every day and them have to watch you and I wonder this about you and I talk this about you and
everything
things are go on
fast.
for you.
Say me, tell her, Raga, my
West
grandmother
Sunday,
teach me that man,
which
96, may
cream,
God rest her soul in peace. My granny say,
foxy,
a dog
baby.
never bought a
Exactly,
motor
right.
car. And nobody not fling up in a no empty tree. See you a
Well, yeah,
fucking a
Anthony Abrams
tree.
tell
Pussy
me that
check,
you never see a person throw a stone up in an
check.
empty mango tree. Right mango up there, that's why they might throw a stone, yeah.
Uh, so guess what now? Say for you gang up, and all of you will gang up. None of you not like the one another about the power me have. None of you not like the one another about the power me have. No gang up. And so now come to say you not gonna tear me down. You can't tear me down. You only make me
See
powerful
there,
more to
And
move.
but tell you something,
Head
tell
further,
you
focus
something.
further.
see
You
there.
said they come from
Tear
Raga.
down, to get boring right now. Raga,
Raga, listen to me as me tell you. I one place me my head there.
right this. So where
Happiness.
Raga say, Raga,
I say you
Yeah,
not go with happiness, Raga. You have all
see
bag
there.
under your yard. You have all cow foot thrown yourself. You just a drop like gutter. You ever see the sandy gully? Big gutter run down so.
Well,
You
on, where you
understand
say
me?
post, where you say?
yeah?
Where did I say about, where you say right there, so?
No,
What's up?
no, me say right now, them something they get boring. I argue with me and people when I make no sense. And the end of the day, people when you argue with even look worse than you, in a worse position than you. So when me I do now live, love and laugh.
Me
And let me tell
say,
you something, Raga. All me I talk about right now,
Raga.
I fuck me say. I fuck me I talk about me. I 50 now and I fuck. Fuck. And me say fuck. And me
You
say
go with
fuck
no
me I
post.
talk about.
Hold
You're
on,
the
And
part.
post. You
Post.
say you do it enough.
Post. You're
uh,
the part where you go with no post.
right
Fuck me,
there.
pay me, I
Raga,
forget
me I do
me.
a,
That part,
me I
that's the
sell it
part you
enough
know.
here now.
Oh, you sell it enough? No.
Yeah.
Okay.
Any
Nah, laugh.
change.
You know
Any
me
little
nah
change. We
laugh.
fuck for food, drills, clothes, shoes, anything.
What you
Yeah.
say, post? Fix
Anything
your
you
smart
have right
project?
now. Yeah. If you have you come and you know no money and your eyeglass. And your eyeglass look good, but just take your eyeglass and get a
But
little
Raga,
pussy. You
you
have on
listen to
a
new
ring and you
talk.
say you know
Post.
no tree, but take
Post.
your ring. Any little thing, man. Fuck. Eh?
Post. Hear the new talk. Hear the new talk when me give them one night, yeah. Cause we going on and look a party here, the DJ I say, boy, woman have them man and two, the man cheap and then the woman left the man and idiot thing that left the man. You know, so me go up there and make the DJ know, say, listen, if me there with
No,
my
Tim
man,
Macklin, no.
have
Me
a man
can't
and me a
afford
fuck
Tim
him.
Macklin.
If me have a man and me a fuck him, and him would good, and the sex is right, and the romance is right, and finance is right, and thing, you know, and him go fuck for me out the road. Me nah left him, and the better fuck off the tell, cause that girl they know say who da run. That girl they know say bedroom nice, romance is good and everything. But if me have a man, and me and him a go on, and the fuck not so good, but drink can give me 1 2 10 cents, and the romance not so good, but drink can back up around the corner and thing, and him go fuck that one over there, so I mean no say fuck she. Me no blood clot one thing, cause she go laugh off of me, say the hood no
But
good
maybe
and the
not good
blood
to
clot,
you,
and
maybe
man
good
the
to
hood no good.
she.
They gone.
Because sometimes when we say no good to
That
we,
is
good to
no,
somebody else.
because him a
No,
walk
man, well,
Puss,
I no post.
Puss, him a walk and advertise him
No,
No.
disability, him a
but
No.
advertise
post,
him
post,
disability.
post. Me hear where you are say, but you have to see where Rampage shall come from and thing with it. She basically I say if the man thing up the pan all level, particularly with the sort out, when him a angling business and thing, and if him go out the road, go do so. She said, well, let's go and work with it because at least she know him a represent out there and she know say the reason why them are taking my cars, him would turn up that way. Right? Ah,
So now go
push,
on.
I'm
The
gonna put
girl
it
can't say
another way. A
one laugh
woman
for
called
you.
me one day and she said, boy, Raga, me have to let my husband, you know. And I said, why? She said, boy, him a born me long time and I work with it, you know, but him go born me with one girl in a board house. So I said, what that mean? She said, Raga, me and him go through life and thing and we live in a concrete house. If you go grind somebody out there for me, go grind somebody for my level, upper my level, make me stay with you. But if me and you live in a concrete
Talk
house and you
truth.
go grind and look at Keely's board house girl, nah man, you disrespect me right this and thing. And she left him. You see the mess? You see the mess?
Talk truth, Raga. Talk truth. The thing is, you know, so the hood not so right, you know. Because first you go there and it's not so right, second you go there, not so right. But because you can do a little thing for you, and you don't go there
You
already, you
laugh
say,
at
you
your
hold
man,
it and you look good and nice and thing. But the moment you know, say, start knocking it out, this, girl see you turn up with him and say, then that your blood. Can me do that to girl? Me do that to girl. Can me lace girl, man, I see girl, the man, I say, that's your blood clot, turn up there with and go and let chop somebody.
Raga, me not care if the hood good or the hood not good from the mouth and word. From the
Oh,
mouth
that go
and
post. Hold on, post. How that go?
me not care if the hood want work or it not work. From the mouth I go click.
But
Well, they buy a
sometimes they
fake
might not go
dildo.
out them tired
Because sometimes
post.
the dildo them
They might
stronger than
out
fitter
them
than the blood
tired
clot
post.
cocky them.
You know, me not go
Me,
do this with
I
post.
rather
Me not do this.
me from the mouth can salute my pussy and bullet up my pussy. Me not give a fuck if him would want work from him pocket and him tongue a work. And that me say,
But you know,
blood
me not go do
clot
this
from
with
him
them
tongue
post. Me
stiff
not
like
do
a
this
blood
with them.
clot, stiffy stuff. No blood clot, right on it. Lag out your tongue, boy. Lag out your tongue. Lag out your tongue and make me right come down. Lag out your tongue. Yeah.
Them post. Suppose him tongue stiff and it's smooth. Suppose him tongue stiff and it's smooth. How it go?
I make smooth and it. Well, grit up your tongue, boy. Grit up your tongue. Nail up your tongue. You feel nail up your
Now
tongue.
some of them tongue rub off, you know. Some of them tongue rub off, you know. You rub off to the smooth like a scour pot of Jamaican Scotch
That's
Brite and Body
Christ.
Soap and Ajax, you know.
Nah,
Smooth.
add Satan or in blood clot disciple. Well, hey, I say one time I give one boy a little pussy, you know, and the boy, not even the say pussy, get up, man, I want the bomber clot is. Hey, back up, bro.
What make? What did them? What did them?
As in come pan you and come. Me get mad, man. Me say the
Oh,
bomber clot this. Back up, man. Lego yes, man. You know you go. Me say lift up, bro.
Them post, you have all him now. And as in come
I
by you and
you
come,
not
right?
too me
And
anxious
then
to
you
the
go hear
pussy, you
say man
know.
give you a
Not too me
bun round there,
anxious to
so.
the pussy. But then telling the boy have the nature in I move. So me just tell him say
Them
fi
not
long out
answer
him tongue.
post. Blood clot,
Yeah.
man.
Say long out your tongue then.
I get
If your nature not,
busy.
oh
I
yeah,
get busy.
do
I
the
get
jiggy
busy.
weddy. If you do the blood clot jiggy weddy in my hole, you crazy.
No, me can't, you know, me not do this with Puss. Puss at 2023.
That's
No,
why I
Puss,
forget
me not do
jiggy,
this
get
with
jiggy,
them,
and
Puss.
get jiggy. Like I said, that's how I tell you. So right now, Raga, fuck me, pay me and gone, boy, you're busy because you know the end of the day,
I
right
got me the
now,
fire.
Raga, me a 50-year-old,
Fuck
and
me,
me no
me, I
want no
forget.
liability. And then,
No, but hold on. But that is just what I was saying to you earlier. Your ramping chopper said the same thing. And that around the place now, some people will come out and tell us that I saw them feel now, like, oh no. But yeah, people are doing it and don't even admit
That's
it.
this
You
how
know,
me feel,
it's
Raga.
like nobody not
Listen to me.
nobody not
That's
really.
how me feel right now, Raga. And this was my feelings from ever. This was my feelings from ever. That's why the man is
Raga,
up for search to say, boy, a which man I come
Raga, let
and
me
do
tell you
it,
something.
or a which man I
What
not
you
my
think?
part. Cause that's how
Said me
me
not
feel
feel no way.
forever.
Me
Me
not
don't
feel
want
no
to
way.
bothered.
All the little pussy they run up in me. Because me work out that. You know, you fuck me, you know nothing to give me. You have to do stuff. You have to be my gardener, you have to be my helper, you have to clean my foot. You have to do the things them for me. So if you have fuck me, you know nothing to give me, and me I feed you, and me I give you little shoes and clothes and little stuff. You have to fuck you out.
Yeah,
Me
you talk about
not
the
give
man
them
where
nothing.
the man where you left, the man where you did spend pan and left him.
The last culprit. Me not run joke with man, Raga. Raga, me not run
Me not try
joke
with
with man.
nobody,
Me
Raga.
have
Hold
Raga.
on.
Try with
Why,
nobody.
my
Listen
ramping
to
shop,
me.
why you not try with no man? Why?
Well, she have
Me
a
not
reason.
try. Listen
I
to me. Me
chew your
not try
talk
with no
ranching shop.
man. No, me. Before me try with one man, Raga, me try with myself. Me push myself
Raga,
further. Me
I
not try
don't
with
blame
no
man,
man.
Raga.
Me put
I don't
myself
blame
further because
man.
at the end of the day, me can only hurt me. You, me not make you hurt me. Hurt your
Max
mother. Make your
ramping
mother try
shop,
with your
bully.
mother can you come here.
Right.
Make your mother
I
try with
agree
you.
with your
Me
ramping
not
shop,
try
but
with
there's
no
a
man.
first in
When you
everything,
come with
and it's a
your money,
last in
come with your
everything.
money. Come with your money, come with your money, come with your credit, come with your documents. You not tell you, come with your credit, come with your documents, come with your money, and come with your cocky. You
Why some of
understand
them
me?
kind of they broke
Oh,
beat a man and give him right, Raga. Ramping shop, you know they broke boy, they fuck good. When they want to get a good fuck, you have to
me
check
no
a broke
want nothing.
boy.
Listen, yeah, me just tell you quite
No,
Raga. You got to joke, I get up, you got to joke now. I get
Yeah,
up and I go take a shower. I'm a back up on my blood clot bullet. They don't want to come. I don't knock out the money. Money still right there. I'm going to check my bank account right over there. I'm just get no come.
right.
Okay? Me just
What's
want to
your
come. I'm alright.
two
You not
different
come say you can
philosophy?
fuck with and
What
tell
kind
me
of
you
big
fuck
word
with
you
me.
shall use, Raga? Two
Where you
different
just said the man now
philosophy.
wait him now fuck you good and take your money and that you just say.
But then happy.
Yeah, nah, fuck me. Take
That's
away
it.
my money. I'm mad to blood clot.
Ramping shop. No, you're a big man now and you know certain thing you're not frightened for. But you never go through a phase that where you under some proper body discipline yet and thing and a body make you weak and your head gone and you hey, you can't tell that, man.
Raga, listen, man, Raga, me not have to tell you like I know no shame in my game. Me never fuck a man from me born. Feel say hood good at me give. Give me
Hold
blood
on,
clot,
now,
give
when
you
I say
what?
when you did young, when you did young,
Raga,
hold on,
when me
man.
did young,
Hold on,
me
hold
never
on,
get
hold
no
on,
time
hold
for
on, hold
fuck
on.
on
Raga
nobody.
is
Hold
a
on,
Me
mad
hold
never
on,
cocky
get
me
man.
the
time with
Hold
paper,
nobody.
on, man.
man. Fully
Puss, hold
mad
on,
cocky the paper.
puss, puss, hold on, man. You never, when you did young, right, and new to the thing, you never get put on a cocky manners yet, a cocky discipline yet, and thing, and you end up a spend pan it and weak to it.
No, no, cause when me the young, Raga, me a breed like guinea pig. Raga, me a 29, me a 7 pig around. Me fuck me no time to give no man no blood
That
clot
makes
money for no
sense,
fuck.
Raga. See
I know
me.
me I
I
said,
am my
me
old
talk
age to
before.
reach me.
Before Raga, me have the first pick, me a 15. So me never have no time to give no man no money
I
for
Okay.
no
can
fuck.
understand that, Raga, 'cause I know them time the things rough. Then the same thing with me, Raga, in my
Me never
old days.
have no
I
Melissa,
take
time
up
big
to
a
up
give no
yourself,
man
fish
no
me
money
see
first.
you.
for no
Bless
fuck,
up yourself,
Raga.
Mels. Yeah, yeah. Mm-hmm.
Me have one when me a 15. Me have my next one when me a 20. Me have one when me a 24. Me have one when me a 25. Me have one when me a 26. That's what my breed, Raga. Just a back to back. Me not have no time to give man my blood
Raga, the
clot
first
money.
time I tried Raga, emergency.
You
I'll know
mad?
me. I wait, man.
Listen to me. You see that college there, Raga? That college there, they never give me the loan for go there because they know me never ever
See.
pass. So me not get the loan for go to that college there. A boy say man look me and him nice to me. Mwah. Nice to me and him carry me go City Island and we eat and everything and nice to me. And then him good and nice. We not fucking know, just get to know each other. And he called me Friday. And Friday, hear him. So when you say, Annette, me say, yeah, you get paid today? Me say, yeah, me get paid today. Clapping. Yeah, you can't buy my pair of Jordans. Me say, what you say? Yeah, you can't buy my pair of Jordans. Me say, Jordans alone you want? He say, yeah, the new Jordan they just come. Me say, no blood clot ambition. You don't have no ambition for Jordan alone you want. You could have get Rodman, Scottie Pippen, Grant Hill, Patrick, you the whole blood clot NBA team, but you only want a Jordan. You don't have no ambition. Mother take care of Pitney. Go back to your mother, take care of your blood clot. Me not take care of Pitney.
Well on the rampage. Puss, you didn't say you tried that one time. What you mean?
Mr. Raga,
Antasha, big up yourself. Big up yourself, Antasha. Yeah, Puss, what you say?
Me say it's a madman. It's a madman. Me try that with to blood clot, fully mad. To blood clot, I'll know me a fear PF when me not eat. Me say Raga, I not selfish. Me did go and buy some nice. Because I say, you know, Jamaica, we go Christmas, you know, the big dance, Annette.
Yeah.
You know, me take out the good things, you know, the man clear, the good red bottom and purple bottom. But it's a good thing. Maybe true, me not used to mind, man. Me don't mind children. I mean, I'm a nephew, Kevin, order them pan line for me and back. I'm going to get one big partner draw. Raga, when me look, Annette, when me look on red bottom, I mean, I say blood clot. Same size like my son. Me just call my son. And him come and him say, Mommy, me say, come here, we have Christmas present for you. Me say, take out what you want out of that bag there. And him take out of the suitcase, the blood clot. Him take out. And me say, yeah, Kevin, oh, you buy the things to the man. And you give your son it. Me say, when me think about it, anybody for eat off of my head. Anybody for wear name brand and wear good things. Where I'm a son then.
I'm a tree boy then.
Me take out this and take out that and take out that. Give me son. Blood clot. They show the man them it in a Raga. So when me after that now me call somebody and order some H&M and Revilant and some Primani. And at that me train on my blood clot, suitcase to blood clot. And I never regret it. Raga me I'll bring down three, my friend, my neighbor take three bad Italian suit. One of the suit them at 2,000
No. Wait, let me read that one. That one there. Wait till when you're in your 60s and sketch.
When we reach a Jamaica, the Versace robe, they have 4 me buy. I them time they have 5 bills I want for them. When we reach a Jamaica, me hide them there. I'll know me not put on them and hide them there from me man, hide them from the jacket suit.
So
Raga.
And again, what the man did do make you decide to do that?
Me just catch up. Me not use Raga. Me don't used to give man them something there, Raga. If I take up now $500, $700 trainers answer. So when I look on it now, I give me son them it. So you must say,
but what I'm saying is, but man spend per woman all the while, man spend per woman all the while.
Reach a Jamaica, I must say, so where the trainers them and the stuff they buy for me. I say, my son take them. My son take them and I never regret Raga. Me tell him say my son take them and me say to my son, say take out them something there. You know, mommy, you never buy it for someone. I said, no, I only buy them for.
Hold on. And a man, they turn out to be a dirty man, right?
Dirty man. So, Raga, I'll know more than I walk with my hand for my head.
See.
No, but Puss, in this part, if me have a man, and he might give me money.
Never get nothing. Me never get nothing. I mean, not try to say. Yeah, but
Puss. What could you rampage shopper, yeah?
If me have a man and he might give me money, and me go to road and me see things that I like, me go buy a thing because at the end of the day, I feel money.
That's totally different rampage shop.
So me come from now. And me put on a $200 to the side, or a $200 this and a $100 this and him come and him say to me, say, boy, babes, you want to steal up. Nothing up around here, sir, you know. And boy, me I look at it and me I say, you hear me? You see money that give me, they put on 500, they say 500 and on blood clot come back because me that see the look of money that give me. Now come back, you say, well, not getting that money.
Different rampage shop. That different rampage shop. That different, baby. Oh, they think about it, Dragon. When me think about it, Raga, me I say no, it's not right. Me say that could have fit.
No, but Puss, you spend Panda man 2 times. You spend good money upon him, help him, bring
No,
him
one
up on
time
all
bring
these
suit
things,
case.
fly him up on all them something there,
Suit
whatever.
case team one. But me walk him out back like a dog at Jamaica, man. Me say, what go fit?
Nah, man, hold on a post. Hold on, ramping
Listen up,
shop, hold on,
Mr.
Puss.
Yeah.
Humble.
You say you did bring him up and try with him and spend upon him and fly him up and thing
No,
and
no.
him fuck you up and thing.
Listen,
And
no, no.
hold on, man. And then it mash up and then you say you try with him a
No,
second time.
me never deback with him that. Me never deback with him, but you inform them want to kill him. Me just send him me just send him go away, go German, go Belgium. But that's it. When I send him go there, so I said that's it. Me cut off all communication. So me cut off the communication and come back worse. Because he call when I want things from me. I said, I can't give nothing more. I give a big start and bring you to Europe. So you have to work it out.
And hold on, and then it end up and down you.
You're crazy.
Yeah.
No, baby. Puss. Listen to me now, Puss. I call my son. And I met me and my son then scrub a diving away. Me saw some one of the comment them over there say the woman them that them 50s, when them reach 60 and loneliness chipping, and the kids them not pay them no mind, and them lonely. Listen to me. That's why I pay my tax, you know. You know why I pay my tax? When loneliness are chipping, I get my home health aid, I get all 24 hours, and I get Medicaid and Medicare. Because if you blood clot, sit down and listen to me. If you talk when me talk, and answer me back when me say so.
So if you have twin me having a man and you know, and I'm up there asleep, and I have them all day, all night. One of them have crime, me must look after me, man.
No. But you know what is interesting though? I know people generally say that, oh, when you get too old, you go whatever. What is happening out there doing where I mean I get kind of the boss is sitting here now, is that a lot of scholars they're trying to figure out why is it that women in their 60s increasingly they don't want to live with man.
True.
The women in their 60s and thing and whatever increasingly them rather have them little sister friend and whatever. It, the same thing happening in Canada, the same thing happening in some European countries.
They're more comfortably Raga.
I don't know about like Asia and Africa and whatever, but you know, the scholars are saying they don't know, they can't really explain. Well, not that they can't really explain because them go to the woman them and talk to them. And the woman them basically I say, right, you know, them have them own things, them have them little house and them know a man come try to take it away and them have them
peace. Because at the end, listen to me, Raga. No, Raga, listen, at the end of the day, as a woman, me can't speak for myself, I don't know about others as a woman. But as me tends to know that me go down in an age, and age is there, even though it's a number, it's there. You make a preparation because you start, make sure, say, you take out your local insurance and that is fine to the side, so whatever happen, your kids them have that. You start pay a look at tax, you know, say at the end of the time when you're ready for retire, your pampers are drop in your yard every month, your meals and wheels are come, your aid are come, you get your affordable apartment, you get your metro card with your picture, you can go buy your dollar coffee, you get your accessory right to care, you go anywhere you want to go. So where the fuck a man come invade what me working for?
Yeah.
That's understandable, Raga. And that's true.
No. That is what the woman them said. Them said when they wear the stress of being with a man, with what them can do by themselves, they say they're coming out better. Not all women, you know, and it's just in Western societies, America, Canada, and Western Europe. But they must say, right, you know, them happy and more contented and at peace being by themselves without a man.
Well, that's me. Raga, listen to me, Raga. That me. That is me. Me no say, but put my thing on me say, all right. Rent that's up, car note that's up, insurance that's up, partner that's up, credit card them over that's up. This are me here, so. But put it online, thoughts at the end of the month. That. Me no want no man to come be out class and disturb my brain. Me no need you.
True. And Raga, when you've been on yourself so long and alone, because like me, did be single for almost 14 years by myself, just doing children, grandchildren. So for me, we're being a stand-up, strong black woman, been doing everything for myself. Man to me is just a bonus. It's nothing special.
You know me call man? You know me call man? Post on me call man?
Yeah. So for me, simple. So at the end of the day, Raga, me been living 14 years without a man. Me can't live another 14 years because the thing with me start to eat from me left my last baby father. Me start dedicate myself to my grandchildren and my children them. So them become my main priority, and then become a focus in everything. It's just them. I surround myself only by them. So you come, me no need you. You understand?
Right.
So it's just like
You only
a
come,
little pop up,
you
and
only come
so
take up
the
space,
same
so.
door you come in and the same door you gotta come out. I'm not. So at the end of the day, there's no space even there for all no man. So that's sometimes.
Thank you. You want lady say, when the comment on the same, we're very happy without the bad man,
What
because
is bad
Raga,
mind
listen
for
to me.
true?
Sometimes some of the man them, sometimes some of the man them, woman them pick up, A
Yeah.
bad mind,
Like the one that did that
Bad
bad
mind
mind
that
for the
come with
things, yeah.
competition in Raga. Raga, bad mind
True.
that come with
We
competition in Raga.
what you mean? What you mean?
Because
Bad mind
somebody
you
see
oh.
a
Oh man
mirror.
feel
Bad
bad
mind for
mind you oh.
things that we have.
Them there with you, for that word, them there with you. But then when them there with you, it's like during for them time of having a woman. 90% of the woman them what them have, a woman we have to lean upon them. Woman we have to move with them. Woman them say go around, so them have to go. So now them find you and a owner where you will lean upon your 2 foot. You understand me now, Raga? Them no want to see you move. Because if you move, it's a problem to them. Them in their life, you know, you lean upon them. So that's where the bad mind come from now, because guess what? If you are go up the road up there, so you don't need to call him to tell him, say, oh, I'm going up the road and I need $20 because I'm going to hang with Joan and my friend. No, you get up and put on your clothes when you call your phone and say, where you there? You say, I'm at the pub with my friends having a drink. So if you go drink, you know, that don't make no sense. Yeah, that's where they come from now. So most of the man them, when they pick up the woman them and they realize them, the woman them are not always independent when they have to lean upon them, because some man love pick up woman, we have to lean upon them, and then when they put you certain way, then them highlight you and say, oh, you dirty blood clots, for never me wouldn't have that or you know about this, because remember say me push up, you can do that on me. I saw them, most man that's how them
Sing.
behave.
We Mumma Spice, you there?
Good night. Good night.
All right.
Good night, baby girl.
What go on?
No, my narration, judgment, God. I first life never sit on pad so long I watch and I listen.
But that too will
Ye-
talk Mama Spice, so my
Yeah,
man them ready here. So my man
89%
them
of
bad
them
man.
mad.
So my man them, you there
89%
with
of
them.
madman in a
You
clean
there with
clothes
them or you
them.
there with them. Me know what. This is true, me
Yeah,
moderation too. Mad
you
people
know,
not
you're
come
in
start work
Mumma
wrong
Spice, where you
things.
say 89% of the man them not move right.
Nah, move right, man. Them madman
No.
in a clean clothes, them have them good work, but them sick upstairs. Something wrong with them.
Oh, them sick. Oh, them sick. Like in what way? Can we say you go through a thing too, you know?
Hey, you see, puss more, body.
Oh, so you pick up the man out of pit toilet and thing, and the man come fuck you up and go on with some evil
Hey,
against you. Yeah.
hey, you see, Puss is a storyteller. She need for go that get a CD and a book and issue them out to children. Puss is a story. We can't bother with Puss.
Woman Spice, big
They
and
must,
serious. Oh man change nowadays. Oh, the man them are roll now nowadays that you say is no them now move right.
let me
Oh.
tell you, like then we come in your life, and see your things set away good, and them no one contribute nothing. You understand? Them no one do nothing. Them just want go work and come in and sleep and fuck and work and come in and sleep and fuck. You understand what I say? You have
Yeah.
to call a different man for come nail or for fix the iron or you understand? You
Yeah,
and
yeah.
them perspective as a woman, perspective different. You are say different from them, which you are say the higher levels while them stuck on one level and me no know what to them.
Seeing.
You get what me?
Yeah.
Hey, Raga, me meet this boy
Mm.
when war kick off Raga and him choose a side and him choose our side. Cause me not like take man from my black in a Raga. I saw me stay from a little growing up. I'ma meet this boy we run from Fiend Black come from my black. I'ma say, all right, the boy are nice, and thing, but he never had a work in a Raga. But true, me have my people them are foreign. My life never said too bad a Jamaica, Get what me I say? So I say, all right, me I go take this boy now, younger than me, But not back no really by far, but him younger than me. And Raga, me and this boy, they are good. Till me go so bam, get work for the boy. I want fire station, cause I'm a mechanic, so I'm a work at the Crossroad fire station as a mechanic. Raga, I'm going for no. So every minute the boy phone a ping, BlackBerry ping. The phone never had a ping all along, you know. Now the boy a work phone a ping, every minute a ping. Raga, one night me there some cook some steamed fish and ton meal full boy belly and me and boy there boy lay down for my leg in the bed and him me and him a reason and him go drop asleep on the BlackBerry ping, but him just come off fight so it never lock. You see when me run up in the BlackBerry Raga, a murderation a go on in the BlackBerry. Gyal a breed from country, go gyal. This a gyal a down a town a call him one big woman who sell herbal bush. Come here, the liquid meat give a film stomach. Inna the bed never normal, cause Raga is an abusive woman,
so when you see that you give him a rotten lick in his stomach.
Raga the fish and blood clad ton meal supposed to flip like egg on him chest. Yeah, me I tell you. Yeah, me I tell you, Raga, yo, me reach a point where me start watch the boy, cause the boy good. And the boy
good. Him did have good body.
Good. Me I tell you, Raga, the boy have good. Me I tell you, size, time, relaxing. Me I tell you, Raga. So you know me now start watch it. Where you say though? Where you say spice? Where you say? I'm more than security. Okay.
Yeah.
Good Raga. You turn mad like panic. Me say, come here. Start watch the boy. Oh no. You find out say the room where him have power and black when me take him out of him gone back to the room they know but me no know about him have him things them round. Yes, so but him round there so with girl in the same room. Mr. Alright.
Good body. I give her the good body.
The truth now, Raga, me have one little girl when me used to par with. Me go round at the yard, go ask the boy and him friend them say the boy not there. I'm say, alright. I send my little friend round there. You see when I send my little friend round there, the boy come out to her. I don't pay him no man. I wait till him come round here and run a screwdriver and I'm out. Right to him jawbone, me run the screwdriver, Raga. No,
Mumma Spice, you never do that. You never do that.
Raga, stop. Watch this now. You see when me run the screwdriver through him mouth, him run, go back round perfume side, you know, not see him. Me not see him 2, 3, 4 weeks. Me not see boy in a Raga. Him first did I try kill me. Cause remember say me love him and him don't know what type of art me have. Him first would have tried to kill me.
No, Mumma Spice, me I keep it real with that fuck real chat.
Yeah, but
you did get good. Hold on. You said the boy body good, size, time and everything. And you did and a whole on man and he make your turn body watcher. The way you weak to the cocky. And him out there take woman. And then chew the boy out there began it. You go run a screwdriver. A fuck with your blood clot keep up. We burn up man when man do that. We go burn out the woman. Mumma Spice, you know Raga you charge, you know. But me I tell you when you're wrong. You shouldn't stab a man in a jaw clot. The blood
Raga come back again. And yes, the boy have the big man round there will sell the herbal down a town. Them kind of know through me, you know, them zinc up the blood clot yard, you know, them zinc it up, you know, Raga through me, you know, the boy them round they zinc up the yard, you know, you can't see nothing we are going in the blood clot yard, you know. Yes!
Yeah, I forgot
Come wake up my dad, Sam. Come wake up my dad, I said, come Brittany, we are go round the road and make Brittany jump the blood clot zinc fence them and pull every gate and let me through. You're crazy.
MacGyver that. You see? Me tell you, she forgot to MacGyver.
Yeah, and she let me through.
Yes, man.
And when me look, Me say him and the girl, and me say, all right, come in like act same time, you know, come we get defeated if my act same time, you know, me a Libra, you know, I saw me stay, you know, me logo get me book and me pencil act after. Him no know say me know all of that and me come round here and cook and give boy and boy eat cause we gone back. Come here, boy, give me a piece of beat. No.
Him beat you.
The boy give me a piece of beat. No, when you look at me, to me a ras time, draw me ras from round at the yasso, come round this up. Boy, give me a piece of beat, Nisi girl.
Yeah.
You see when the lip them cool off, one blood clot stabbing in him stomach. I run, me see him run out and see them a run with him in a one car, carry him down a public. When me ear pan the shout, boy, I have ear in him lungs. Raga, it never good. Raga, me that for left, me that for cut left the boy. Come see say the relationship toxic, bad to one hood. Me could and me have a pitney them Raga. Me at this so me left the boy when me stab him and see him really end up down a public Raga. And me see him really I go kill the boy Raga over him. Owner hood Raga. Me have to leave the boy. My mother them call and say you have to leave the boy. Me see him daughter where me care go around and say, mommy, me not do this with you, no, mommy. You have to make Jerome go away, him a go.
Yeah, I know. So I said really the motivating thing when make you get some Bringland, stab him up and him a beat. I just you tell the truth. It was him good cocky.
Yeah, it was the good old. I mean, I tell you, say if him work and get $1,000, remember $900 mine. But Raga, every time me hear say this boy have woman, me get this leap in my stomach, in my belly, Raga. Him
to kill somebody.
Him for hurt him. One time me and him Black Maxfield Avenue. Black Maxfield Avenue, me have a bag of buckle and stone for my stomach. I'm a one girl in a one yard and me here and go to Maxfield for them, Raga. And when you look, traffic a bill up, come in at the middle of the road is a police car. Me see from down a Spanish Town Road, come pull up the traffic. Me couldn't have myself I do them something every day of my life, Raga.
Yeah, no, it kind of rough and them way.
What me I tell you, things do happen. Relationship do get twisted, Raga. Me I tell you, things do happen in a relationship and the thing get twisted. Is either you love me more or me love you. Raga, when I time I call police, me have to call police. And tell police say me I go kill the boy as I sit down here so with my 3 pitney and my grandson. And one woman, one counselor woman.
Given that this was from Blackberry time, so a long time this now. You're not juggling so again.
Me not juggle so again in a Raga. You see when me kind of cross certain way in a Raga, me don't know if I the liberal and I mean but you see me walk away. Means that me have my children, them more children, pan children and grandson and them thing that you learn. You know, experience teaches wisdom and all of these things. You know, I'm different now. And then
so what I mean you're different now, but are you also different? Like are you now more mature, more contained, you deal with stress differently in relationships now, you're more patient now and so forth?
I'm not as aggressive as I was then. You understand? I'm more patient now.
Right.
You understand?
I know.
I mean, no how to deal with it. No, yeah. You understand? Come here, have a man.
So, no. That
year,
question they were ramping shop just make. So, if you get good cocky now and whatever, you're not lose your mind over good body now,
I am with a man for 9 years, Raga. 9 years. Okay. He's right here listening to me. 9 years, cocky good at everything. More time me and him jump off here, but him know my head mad, so him not too pay me no mind. You know what I'm about?
All right.
Yeah, we're good.
No. Well, I just want to say congratulations for the growth, you know? And you're in a stable relationship and you know, that implies some sort of mutual understanding and harmony where the two are now work and thing. And that reflects growth, you know?
Yes.
Nobody not perfect. You go through your thing
Right.
back in the day. Enough away at Jamaica, we know that ghetto something there. Even people in a Jamaica, sometimes they not understand that ghetto something there.
Yeah, they
And
get
thing.
us something there.
Right, and thing. But you have evolved from it, and I just want to big you up for that, you know?
Yeah,
Yes.
that is
See.
true.
Yeah,
That is true.
man. Bless up yourself, man, for that, you know?
Yeah,
Let your
cause
call growth.
we're big now.
That's
We
growth.
get older now and get more wise, and no one can hold the fourth, the fifth, and the sixth. So, you know.
No, but I want when people listen to this and thing, you know, because everybody know, you know, Raga always I tell them, say,
Raga,
what,
raga,
on, eh?
raga,
Yeah,
raga.
yeah.
Raga, things you see the struggle is real, and sometimes frustration make you do things where you're not even want to do. Because Raga, you see when me look back on them days there, I can't even believe that I had called police and tell police that me I gonna kill him, and then social worker come at me yard and give me all pill and say take them pill here. When you feel that the urge to kill him, you take it and you drop asleep, and me ending up give all the boy the pill and the boy drop down around and one party and him. Raga, I can't believe that was even me. Right
Wait, so
now,
wait,
sitting here,
hold on. When you give him the pill, him never know, say you give him
him
the pill.
never know me give him the pill because him say him head hurt him and him send me go buy 2 Panadol, but me pull one of the Panadol and put in one of the sleeping pills, so him take a Panadol and a sleeping pill. That's how fucking paranoid. I was
Then hold on,
paranoid.
Woman spy, suppose him did run at the dance now and something kick off and
Raga,
thing and him could not defend
is
himself.
a
And,
phone
eh?
call me get so the boy around there sweat like dog me for come now. You see when me go around there,
Yeah.
the boy a
Nah,
laps. Laps him a laps. Cause through him go drink the magnum pan the pill him a laps. Raga me have to bring the boy come round a me yard and I drench him with water. All Jerome Depan, me want go down a public. I couldn't make him go down a public. Cause from once them do the blood test, them I go see say the pill in him system and I mean the clad police them did give it taking of them. Raga, me have to
So
count
well,
him.
Mumma, so when he must say want go public, you just wet him down and say, no man, you don't have to go public tonight. No worry, man. You
Raga,
no worry.
have
Eh?
to give him water for flush him system. One night time him drop asleep, me no sleep none at all. Me hand upon the boy pulse the whole night for see if him a got me. Raga, at them something they make me stop, me quit, me done.
Yeah, it's not worth it. It's not worth it.
Me done, me quit.
Mumma,
See?
anybody on this rock, hold
You
on.
can't go through that.
I'm big shot, Mumma. Anybody on this Ragashanti, you know my favorite story when I always tell them. I tell them, say, if me have a woman, I'm a lover, and I'm a life that I love her. And one day me come home and peep through the window and see she a take one man with one body with 5 times bigger than my body and she say the best blood clot body this. Raga body can't touch this. Me going take time close back the door and me going make them some lemonade. Because them I got tired when they done. So I make them a lemonade and when I stay there when they done. When they done now, I give him some lemonade and I give her lemonade and say, go and go. Because I rape him, I rape her, you know. Right? And boom. And if it's my house, I go say big money I have to go leave, you know, make me an avatar. Or if I'm me or whatever, I leave. Me not blood clot kill nobody over no pum pum and all them something. They not see I don't worry for the idiot man them a kill woman them over them front like them is a first set of fucking idiot and whatever. The people need for wise up, right? One of the things we tell them say, burning a guan from the dawn of humanity. So it is stupid of you to assume that you can never get born. Born can reach anybody.
Thank you.
That's how you
One
can't
can
stop
reach
That's so
human
anybody.
beings
childish.
from
So what you
doing.
must do is on the Lego them song and them movie they were you are my forever and us together through this and whatever. Yeah, the song them sound good. Shaka Khan through the fire and through the limit. The song them sound good and
Yeah.
whatever. But just prepare yourself and know say anything that has happened before in humanity can happen to you. Why you going to be so arrogant to think that you are this absolute exception? It not going to happen to you. And you prepare your mind for it. And when you prepare your mind for it, make a choice where you're not going to end up in a prison. And I'm big thick man, I say, yo, I've been wanting to fuck a Jamaican man long time. Why me going fight over pump from a kill somebody and then a prisoner, I see 10 white racist man a come and I say some black meat them one right you know. I want to come slap me in my thing.
You know, you my song when me sing Raga, my song
Hey,
when me sing
Momo.
say, if me there with the man and the old good, the romance is good, and financial is good, and him cheat
Me
on me,
not going
I
to
ain't
prison
going
for no pum
nowhere.
pum.
The best fuck still. Me not
Why,
going
Raga,
nowhere.
if I knew then what I
But
know
if me there
now.
with the man, and me know say the sex life is not good. I'm just there because financially he could help me, or I'm there because he's a good listener. You understand me? He's a good shoulder for me to put my head on. He's a good person that he give me good advice, and I'm there with him. And the sex not good. And when me hear on the show, yeah, fuck on me, you cheat on me. Me nah sit down with you. Go on with it because you advertise the disability. Take it and go. Me nobody know me.
Boy, it's a salient issue because we are here about with the man them a go on with, but you know, have to watch snapped and deadly woman and thing for no say the woman them a do the same thing too or whatever. You know, life happens and bad things
Well,
happen to good
fear
people.
woman
Raga,
cheat,
I
Hold
fear
on.
woman
Momo.
cheat, fear woman
Bad things
cheat.
happen
It have to be
to good
something
people. So
fishy.
if that reach you, people feel have that maturity, that balance, they feel say, you know, some not feel good, it mash me up and thing and whatever. But nobody go kill nobody over good pum pum and good body and thing. Nobody own another person body.
Me not
Nobody
kill
own another
nobody.
woman front. Right?
Yeah,
The only time
yeah.
a man must say him own a woman front is when him in it. Once him out of it, and thing is not clean front anymore. Not me wrong if when you're in it and he say
I only
it's
in it.
oh
Yeah, yeah,
when
I
him
only
in
in
it
it. I
and
Raga
she
tell
say
said,
you.
a year when she say a
yeah,
year
yeah,
pussy this and whatever you're in it,
Raga said no
good.
man own no front. Listen keenly where Raga said no man own no front.
No
But I
man
put in
own
at
any woman
Yeah,
front. When you're
yeah.
in it, you can act like you own it at
Listen.
that time there. But this when they come out, it gone right back to reality. It's not year one, it's PR one. She feel for do what she want to do with it, even if she want to burn you.
Yeah,
And you feel know how to deal with it if the bun reaches, so you're not gonna do something
right.
stupid. And you don't have a right to go kill her. I say a thing, you know, man, burn me out, you know, and say all kind of thing. But what right I know me feel say, man, especially, man, for develop the capacity there, to get bun and hold them can and take bun. Because woman a take bun, I get bun under them skin. Long time since Nine Kingdom come. And them hold it enough time. So man for learn to do that too and both them about kill woman. Because if you get a bun, take a bun. You understand? Just ask the woman say,
Raga, see
And
them a say fi
Momo.
add. Them
That's
a say
why
fi
the man
add
did say
Momo.
I
So
shot
I'm
the
gonna come
sheriff,
down and
but
make
I
you
didn't
add.
shoot the deputy. You never know about.
Make
And
come
and
down.
Momo.
I'm gonna come down
A
and make
bun
you
Bob
add
did I talk
Oh,
about
Momo.
this,
you
so?
mean? Oh, you mean then Bob not shot the man? We never shot the. You not see where you never hear when him say I shot the sheriff. The deputy was him woman. The sheriff was the man. Him catch the woman and kill the blood clot sheriff. And Momo.
Raga, it was a pleasure. And don't be a
You say a
stranger when
word,
we buck up
ramping shot.
again.
Big up yourself, man.
Spice, I like
You
listening
be-
to your thing like Spice. You give me a
Thank you,
good
my
reasoning,
baby.
baby girl. And the thing we'll go back with,
Yeah.
thing we'll come back with
Grow.
again, growth.
Yeah.
In life,
Respect.
growth. And if you're not
Respect
growth in life, I
Laugh,
know
learn,
say
and
Bishop.
grow.
Respect.
something
Yo,
not go
Mama
on with you.
Spice, big up yourself.
So peace
Big up
out
yourself
each
too,
and
you know.
every
Big up your gentleman and your family, them
man.
and your grand and the
Yes,
whole
that is
works.
it. That is it.
Ramping shot, big up yourself in a rating. You don't know how our thing set from
Mad love,
foundation,
my
you know. All right, big up yourself. Yeah. Mad thing,
listen, a
cool.
man, long
Blessings.
time. Mad love.
Well, to some man, I just want to remind you, say, a long time we know this thing, and, some of my people, my hardcore people, them just keep it 100, right? You understand? People that Jamaican, and them express themselves just like Jamaicans, right? And And the language and the thing and the meds and thing, it can be, you know, very forthright, candid, open, raw, and thing. But that are just part of the meds and things, see? Some of those want enough respect to Puss, big up Ramping Shop and big up Mumma Spice and the whole works and everybody else who talk. But I see some other people there. See if some other people there want forward and think. We see what go on. I want Puss want to come back in. I don't know if Puss want forward. I see who else. Hold on, I'm bringing some. Try this. Post, I know if you want forward, you know. You want to come.
Good night.
Good night, good night.
Auntie Puss send me over here, so I don't know what you do this morning. Or who you trouble. Why she make you come
wait,
over?
where you link from? In America.
In
Okay,
America.
see. Who me talk to you now?
Momo. That's what I'm keeping on telling for add
cool, man. Cool, man. I need for add the whole on, you know. I need for follow the whole on. Yeah, that's.
My auntie Puss send me over here, but me don't know what she send me over here for come.
There's nothing wrong. Rather you talk to, you know, so everything is everything, you know. Eh?
Oh, my picture look Raga.
I don't want to hear a picture of that. That's not you.
No,
that is not you, Momo. I know you that.
That is me. I mean, at the time I did get locked up, them tell me to take off my wig,
like,
and I mean that.
Yeah, blood clot. Are you that for sure?
Raga, my name is Momo. They call me
Goat Throat. Goat Throat?
Goat Throat. Yeah.
No, I really hear a picture of that for sure.
Raga, stop. Why you be upset with my picture look cute?
No, but still I believe say a picture of that, you know.
Raga, behave yourself, no man, the picture look cute. Stop look at the picture and listen to the voice. And the voice sound kind of rough right now.
Say a word, man. Say what go on, you know. Well, the conversation it go around on, you know, woman, Jamaican woman have viewed the man them lately nowadays and what go on and all them stuff there. So I don't know, what is your take on it? The man them a move right?
Raga, me really not them problem there, you know, because you live a foreign in a gun state and I really to play with man still.
What you mean in a play with? Yo, I would want to get this thing from, like, you know, on a play with man and gun and all and stuff.
Man, I play with man, Raga, because you hurt my heart after hurt your face.
No,
I don't know.
But if a man hurt your heart, you have to go to gun settings for respond.
No, but me not go shoot him. I probably shoot after him because at the end of the day, I love him said way. So I shoot after him, over him head,
no, but
him foot.
You're not supposed to shoot after him at all. Then you know say if you love and care about somebody where you fire shot off of them for.
Shot after him.
No, but me say if you love and care about somebody, care for somebody, where you about shot off of them for.
Imagine this. Imagine this. Sometimes we woman we give them we arm. Right. That's why we snap, right? Me tell you, so them call me goat throat. Imagine me all a suck hood to where me can. You can push the hood down my throat and me breathe through my ears. And then me hear you gonna pick up next girl when I do certain things. And when me look, the girl look worse than a picture when my
next girl, what you say, if you are suck a man wood and you suck your wood so good with to all breathe through your ears because you can't take the wood down and your throat. Yeah. And you say if him gonna take a next woman who not suck female.
I'm too greedy. Them you know greedy. Me I try to show you say can't give a man everything. Them still I go straight sometimes. So sometimes we get emotional. And you know, and things
but don't we say that men who perpetrate violence against women, that we say them not to do it, even if a woman born him, even if a woman tell him something at and whatever. No, we always as a man not to put violence on woman and them things. So you know, think the same thing should apply to you or other woman then.
But Raga, me never say no. I mean, not act
Yeah,
like a woman now out here
yeah.
fight man too. Cause when me tell you say you make me mad. First of all, we emotional. So when you make me mad, the only thing me know if I come rush you now or fight through a cable box
A
or
cable.
something after you. Raga, you know how much bun story me have? You know how much bun story
Well,
me have?
I know, but
Me a man teach me how to give back bud and them something there. And I never want to stay. So I'm gonna do it now
right.
because I'm too old and I have
So what
asthma.
asthma have to do with bun?
Cause I can't run down no man, I can't run and fight. So now I have to tell you to go about your business. I can't really
Okay,
outside and you
okay,
know?
okay, okay. Me swear you say, me swear you say. No, so when you say enough bun you get though. Yeah.
Alright, you see once you give me bun, well let me talk in the past because I know some always monitored and recorded for certain purposes. So you see the past when
Yeah.
me give bun is you the person will give me bun. Alright, let me give you a scenario. Remember so one day, the
Yeah.
first bun me ever get. I think I was 7 months
Wow.
pregnant with my daughter. I just did have a baby before that. When my first baby turned 8
Wow.
months, me pregnant again. And one day, me just him ask something wrong with him phone, and me sit down there, and I go through him phone. Let me show you my face, Rag. I'm gonna be fair, so you know, don't say it's not a ducky attack.
Be there. All right.
so, 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 one day me I go through him phone, him ask me if he fix something. So I see him text and somebody say, "Hey babe, where you at?" Then me see text from him was say, "I'm right behind you," but he's a man when me text him tell me say him don't know if it text.
Ooh.
So yeah, I'm a pregnant, me in the house, they had them all put me
Mm-hmm.
upon bed rest. And you know me
Right. No,
emotional in my
and them time
feelings.
then
So me
pregnancy
go
you go
through the
through
phone now.
all sort of hormonal fluctuation, right?
Yeah, cause me look like King Kong, like a sister. Me look like living monkey. Me not gonna lie, my nose broad. Me get dark. Me don't even know myself. Me get big or whatever. Anyway, now so all of a sudden now, me say, "Mama go call the girl." Me call the dumb. No, me write down the number. Cause them time them afraid. So me not gonna talk up. Me not gonna lie to you. Me never dep on no badness yet. Cause you know wherever I'm say me I made them time there. Wherever I'm tell me. If him tell me say the sky purple, the sky purple, cause I'm a man and man rule the
Same.
yard. And that me dep on. Did I
Same.
live in Yamed? So then me go sneak and write down the number. But me work, I had work where I was in Long Island, so
Right.
I worked for T-Mobile at the time. And so I went and put the number, I'm wait till I go to work the next day, I'm going to put in the telephone number. And me I tell my friend them, say, yo, the man I cheat for me. And me I peer big woman friend at the time in New York, and them I say, yo, make the man cheat, it's all right, all man cheat, and you know, him a pay for everything for you, you live good, you don't have nothing to worry about, or you want
Right.
work, you don't have to work. So them I tell me, you know, so me not to say nothing, all man cheat. Like, I really thought it was a normal thing that men are supposed to cheat
Right.
and you mind your business. So, you know, I am at the time, barely 20, think about 22. I got so now I'm going at the T-Mobile account. When me look 500 text messages back and forth from the same number. Mind you, when me text this man answer me back, say him
Mm-hmm.
can't text my phone. When me go and take a stock now, I look, me say, all right. Him come in the next day. I rag, I'm not lie to you. You see soon as him come in, I grab the phone out time and I see the man start up and say, hey, where you do? What him never know, say me an old Tegareg from long time. I just show me,
See.
just buckle it and calm down. So when I go in at the phone now, I see the man, I see one bag of number now. I call the lady. Big woman to you know, big woman for me, you know. The lady start laugh after me. I say, little girl, don't call my phone because whatever you think this is, it's not. And your little girl staying at child's place. Come
I saw
little
she a
girl, me
style
up, you
you.
know. I saw the lady deal with me. My heart hurt me them time that dead me dead. And me I look upon him. And me I say, well, go on. Me no know, back in the days, Time Warner did have one big Time Warner cable box. I just take the cable box and whoop him in him back when him turn around. Then,
You lick him nine
you
back
see
with
when
the
the
cable
man turn
box.
around? Yeah, when it like it stunned him, so him turn around. And when him turn around, I just go so zoop, like me give him one 3-piece. Me see
Three
him
piece
lock him
hour.
eye.
Oh,
Not
oh, oh,
dump
oh,
him.
oh, oh.
And him about and them time they make me about 5'2" and him about 6'3". So I jump up and top him and pregnant, but all him I do I push me back. But Mr. Raga, I look at him that day there with tears in my eyes. I say, after the baby I drop, come nah, fuck pan you with no belly. But you see when the baby I drop, I go and
Well,
fuck pan you and me I
you tell
cry
him
and I
that?
look at him now. What you mean? 1 week straight the man come in, not talking, pan the like the week 7 day. My gusto know, so me I got a job for bring him lunch. When I go up there, I say, all right, I go back to regular programming, the earth kind of rub off. It no go away, you know, but it me I try. You know it happen, I make we deal with it. I go to work, them tell me, say, him is not at work today. I say, not my husband will left here with uniform this morning and come to work. I just call him and him tell me, say, him dep on break. When me go up there, the man will make me go stand up on the people them at Accurate dealership or Valley Stream. The man will have me stand up on the people them car out there and tell him, say, yo, try call him and tell him, say, me there, so right now. You know, so the dirty man pull up and talk about him a test ride customer car.
But that could have been possible.
Oh, it's possible if him not there work, Raga, and hear the people them say, he can call out this morning. Then that day, another week of war in that. Me just a war with the man, a war with the man, a war with the man. Long story short, so then me get back to regular programming. Me think like the 7th day, 1 week pass again, now me cook dinner. Me see him take the plate, take up a spoon of the food, and I call me like a 1-year-old over to tell him to taste it. So me say, what you tell him to taste it for? Because I say, me know you're not going to make him.
Him say, because what?
Him not going to make me poison the order. Me not going to poison the order picnic. So I tell him, if I give him the fuck and I look for me, so me I say, yeah, idiot anyway. So long story short, so after maternity, what you call it, maternity leave now, I went to work. There used to be a Haitian guy who used to always flirt with me. I was just like, oh, you're such a beautiful girl, and Ray. Honestly, I never date an American man, and I never did date I only dated Jamaican men. I'm born in America, but my parents are Jamaican. That's all I know. So I never interacted with no other culture. So the boy one day going on my phone, I show him a picture on my phone and him start scroll. And him say my pussy picture them. And me I say, why would you scroll in my phone? But him I say, yeah, scroll in your phone, but yo, that pussy is, you know, it's fat. Me I say, no, but then something go off in my head and say, he said, let me show you back a picture. Yeah. So the man show me one picture, I'm older. Raga when me not gonna lie.
Yeah.
You see, after years being with one man, and you finally see one decent old, where you know, say you have the opportunity to have access to, it's like, it was a different type of feeling. Instantly, we get one like a sneaky feeling, and that's what I understand, it's a sneaky fuck are the best fucking of the world. It's something about when you sneak and hide, why people cheat. Because when you hide, the fuck sweet, I don't know, it just feel different. And then me, I'll come up with a concept. The man married and me married, so 2 married people can't cheat. Me don't know. Don't ask me, ask God about it. So me daddy know. Call me. Hold on, somebody
mine a boss I call you, you know.
No, husband soon come in, man. I don't feel time yet. But no husband. So next thing now. Anyway, I see the boy picture.
When you see a picture of him body and whatever, like something kick up in you.
Yeah, because to be honest, me did there with that man there from me at 16, so I had the same man me there with how long. We never really know hood like that. Never really, you know, so when me see body and circumcised, you know, say it take me for be 20-something, you know, there's a difference between circumcised and uncircumcised hood. But you appear Jamaican man, me talk to majority of them is uncircumcised. So all when me see film hood, me I say, wait, that hood look different. That hood look nice. You understand? Till me all say, yo, them time them me a suck hood, but me not even did like suck hood, because when me a suck hood in my head, it's wrong. I always said wrong, because I was taught that it was wrong, but I do it because he like it, but me never really like do it. Anyway, long story short, I go to bed the night and I dream so I get one piece
from
of
the Haitian boy.
At the work, the co-worker.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm a co-worker. Yeah. I'm going to go to work the next day. I'm going to tell him, say, you know, I dreamt about you last night, but I'm very straightforward. But say, yeah, what? Right now, I have some pussy credit for you. So, But might as well we just fuck and done. I'm say it's gonna be one time and that's
No, well,
it.
you tell him
That's what
straight,
I
child.
tell him.
One fuck him I go get and that's it. Okay.
Yeah, I'm a very direct Raga. Me see if me like you, me I tell man, grown as me is right now, worse than the older me get me at 37. Me I look upon you and say, if me see you Raga, me like you. By third business day, we have to fuck. Cause me love fuck. So me have to
No,
know say you
hold
can
on.
fuck
Say
before
that
me start
again.
love you.
Say that again. What you say when you see a man and you like a man? What you say like?
Alright, me see you Raga right now, I like you. And me and you start attack on phone. Me not talk to you more than 3 days. By 3 business
Okay,
day, me and you
okay.
supposed to fuck.
And you tell, when you say
I
3
don't want to
business
get
days,
I
so
don't
if
want to
you
get
meet him on
emotionally
Friday, Saturday and Sunday no count. On Monday, Tuesday, don't?
by Tuesday. 2 to 3 business day. I'm coming like a business check.
Yeah,
I don't have
yeah.
time. I'm not gonna sit down and talk to you up on the phone and end up like you. And then next thing you come to me and me like you emotionally. And then we're gonna have sex and it now go. So no, I feel fall in love with the sex first. Because all when me vex and we together, I still want to fuck you, I just don't like you. So I have to make sure you can keep up and run marathon too. Cause some man, the first time you lay with them I give you everything. No, I have to make sure so you got through like a marathon 4 weeks straight. We're back to back like Drake. I have to do certain tests with you. Y'all have to come and can come again and still
Okay,
add on them
okay,
something there.
okay,
You
okay.
understand? So before you pass those qualifications, I don't know what is love. I have to fuck you
See it
first
there.
and fall in love with your hood
See it there.
first. Me and your
See it
hood
there.
friend. Yeah.
See it there, yeah.
So that's what I
So,
mean. Yeah, so on the ladies gonna stop hold on for the pum pum about 90 days and them something that the same pussy him I gonna get 3 days or 90 days or 6 months,
so
Mumma.
how it going
But I
on with the
waste on the
Asian now?
time.
So what did
That's
happen
why
now when you tell me?
so yeah, I have ADHD. So me and the man now, my make up a mind say I go fuck. So he was like, oh, you wanna go get a hotel? Me I said, go get a hotel, you're mad. Right now, I tell him, say, yo, but I'll tell him, me in my head, me not tell him. Come in my head, and me I say, yeah, all the man fuck for me, I'm going to fuck back on him. But make sure the next day I drive the man care work. And I park it in the parking lot in the back. And I look on the schedule and I say, me and him close. I put on one piece of fucking at the car, you see, in the winter time, I New York, all my footprint there on the window shield. The window shield. And me, I'll go home, and when I go home, I'll call my man and say, yo, because like me didn't want him for know, because I want him to feel what I did feel. And he probably would never feel what I feel. But at that time, when I was younger, I just felt like this is the only way I
So,
could
so
get
what
back
you
at
do?
him. So I asked him for reverse the car and my footprint them was in the car. I mean, no same seat in
No,
a rugger, but him never said nothing.
hold on.
Him office
When
him
you
a
drive,
footprint
go
on
take
the
the
car.
boner man. Are your man car, you drive, go take the boner man.
The next day, yeah, come and say me I go fucking him car.
Jesus, God have mercy. Momo, why you do that?
Rugger me did
Momo, why
pregnant, me
you
did
do that?
hurts. Me did
Why
hurt and
you
me
go?
had a Yamabella.
Momo, why you do?
Come me want fucking him car. Come me want him feel it. Till me never plan the footprint, but when me see the footprint, I call him and tell him to back up the car in the driveway for me. So me know same see my footprint. You have to see the 2 foot them in the window. You have to see it cause the man stretch out my 2 foot them on the back seat. My head, they on the console. And the bottom of my leg them in the back seat and the man just ram it. Me just ride out. I'm not gonna lie. I'm say the way I feel, me never feel. Me don't know if you true it sneaky. The fuck just
Eh,
sweet, it just different. And when the man call me, the man all when me reach on the man say, all right, get home safe. And I'm saying this is the last time. You know, some fuck that boy there for about
Je-
1 year straight, rag and the
Oh,
man don't
God.
know.
Well, Lady Illy, big up yourself.
Me
All
there,
Canadian Linky, big up yourself. Lady Illy, large up. Belinda Bless over there in Italy, me
pick up
see you.
yourself, lady.
Belinda Bless line crew, large up. Wait, 1 year you and the Asian man grind for?
Let me tell you something. The Haitian man make me turn goat throat specialist.
Well,
Because me not even know. So
stop
after a
right there,
while,
sir.
probably
Stop
like after
right.
a couple
People,
months,
you hear, if you go up on our page and whatever, she name Goat Throat. Tell the people them why your name Goat Throat.
because me say, if you swallow the kids, them I make them play in your belly like nursery. I endorse that. You understand? I want them to run up and down. But so you have to be selective with the man that you're picking. You have to pick the man that will eat healthy, not the one that will buy peer buckle and drink up peer anything.
When him drink enough water, him come to hey. I don't the man bust by my face, but left it for like a good 10 minutes.
Wait, you mean? When him come in on your face and thing, you just left it by your face, bro?
Yeah, I rub it on and make it sit down for 10 minutes. It have antioxidant in there. Facial. Raga, come on, Raga. Watch out, this is no makeup, this is no filter. I make the man more time now.
When you said that, I come clean up your face and them something there.
And my teeth is white too.
And your teeth
white too.
So when you said when the time they come in on your face, the good man them come in on your face, it's like you get a facial, no?
Yeah, you make it, you just rub it around and make it dry up.
So what you just said to the woman them who listen, you know, and I say she nasty, it's disgusting.
I think them business them walk nasty, you know, see from there grow up. Them never hear when body juice green with you,
what? How that go?
You know, see how me look? Raga me at 37 with 5 pitney, and I'm doing very quite well. Sperm does a body grow.
All right.
In and on the outside.
I broke out enough woman tonight, you know.
No man, enough of them know me already. It's all right. Them who some people are hide and do it. But anyway, let me tell you what the man do now. So one day now, I say, all right, I go suck him out tonight. I never, at the second penis, me ever suck. This is going to be the second penis. More time, I watch peer porn, so I learn how to do it or whatever. I'm always having my tongue ring, but I never on them something there. I never really say, I never look on a hood when I say I want suck. But the way the boy make me feel, I don't know say I true. I don't know if I true way I sneak. It was just, me say, Raga more time we all in the people in bathroom, but T-Mobile are fucking up.
See,
in a back office, you know?
Yeah.
Anywhere. Then I go sit down, come to your phone here. So anyway, so one day me and him say we are rent hotel for one night because my man did go away with him friend them like out of state overnight. Pick up yourself, Anake. So we say we are going to do a hotel or whatever, because wherever I lie him tell, him always tell me the lie. Me know say him beard with, like, if me know say him beard with Irish Spring at home, me make sure I pack up my bag with Irish Spring, so when him wash off, him wife can't smell. Because me not try mash up happy woman, you know. Because if she unhappy, that means my time cut. I mean, I like that. It come to the point now. So one night, me tell him, me just go up on my knees and start sucking him hood when him take off him clothes. Raga, when the boy shoot the hood down, me feel my pussy jump couple times, and I no wear panty. So me did have one dress. When me look, me just see the whole of my pussy go splash, guys, squirt up the place. When the man shoot it down, me throat and grab it by my neck. Remember say, you know, the man with me there with, you know, him not do them something, the boy a box me in a face, slap up my body sometimes. I can't even, when I go home, I have to pay attention because I have the wheel back them for my body and everything, you know. Peer fucker go on, you know, I not even know something like them something, you know.
So when the Asian them run out with them gangster something, then when you anima rings and thing and box in your face and throw it down in your throat and them, so you realize so you like them something there.
Yeah, me never know because I never get that before, but I like it when a man box me, when pussy start jump. Right now you choke me, more you kill me, Raga. Right now when man grab my throat and dead me, you a blood clot dead and come back. So me feel like them something there. So, me never know. Because me I notice when him will slap me really hard, my pussy get wetter. So me I say, wait, me like them something, yeah. Till one night now, and then then I have to experience something. So one night, like say, one day we fuck early. I'm going to go home, and my big woman friend I said to me, say, Mo, you fuck the man in the house too? And I said, no, not really. I'm not fuck him like that again. Because me and the man always a fuck, and she said, no, you can't do that. And she said, yo, you can't do that. I said, oh, me not fuck two man in one night.
You did bring him go your house, go do it too?
No.
Oh.
No, hell no.
So what your big man friend did I ask you? If after you and him, if you and the bonner man do so, if you go home, go grind here, man, no. Oh.
Yeah, she say like, because she said every other day you and this man a fuck her work. So when you have time to fuck your man, doesn't mean I really fuck him like that. And so I mean, I'll look on her quote song about me can fuck two man in a one night. Anyway, one day now I'm going 7 o'clock. I must have fucked the 7 o'clock when work done and we in a parking lot. I'm going to my yard and I go so anytime I go in with Zub's bed and lay down. So I see the big man in the yard now, the rightful owner start drop on me. I look on the clock, it was 11:37. Me that I know say, I wonder if I wait till 12 o'clock a.m. and a 2 man in a one night. Somebody that try figure it out. So them time they them time they rock up with us have to tell him. My auntie Puss said me over here, she knows some love it, you know. Then we go so now, so hear me now, I tell him some for PP and Raga. I sit down in the bathroom there till it's a 12:01. Cause I say, man, when that song they play, if you never fuck 2 man in a one night, I don't mean that after 12 I knew there. And the fuck up this thing, the man never find out about the man until about 7 years later. I'm with my new husband one day, and I'm an old husband, I'm a new husband on the phone, which was very fucking weird. Well, we're co-parents, so everybody deal with each other decent. And him there on the phone one day, and my old husband a cuss, I say I have temper, I'm a this and that. And my husband I said, brother, no make it seem like she just get up and do things, you know. Cause you do things to she first, you know. Money tell me everything, you know. Remember say you fuck for Momo when she pregnant, you know. And Momo go out and did a fuck, you know, so she did a fuck the boy at the job for your year.
Hold on. Your present man go tell your ex-man, say what you did do with the IrieJam man.
The best was that. Because him I try to tell my new husband, say, yo, you don't know Monique, you don't know she's here. And him I say, brother, she tell me everything, you know. You never know. She never tell you, say, yo, brother, all the brother on the job, like I'll call him name. Him say, yeah, me know him. He say, you know him? You know how long money can fuck him all in the car, brother. Y'all back it up in that driveway. Then something could go on with me.
So you never feel how you say him gonna go tell him that him shouldn't tell him.
No, cause me never there with him. This is like me already there with somebody else. Me never there with him. A good film and the man get vexed. Oh, but I don't say she don't give me bun. But the man say, but you bun her first. So we get upset for. I react now, you know, but shout out to the Asian man. The Asian man did show me some things in life.
Right,
And walk with me long term.
It look like him broke you out. Like proper broke out.
Yeah, man. Because you know, the Jamaican man, sometimes, well, now it's different. Even if you go back 10 years, there's a lot of stuff they wouldn't do. If you ask them, back in the day, up to 10 years ago, even some man you meet right now, if you tell them, say, yo, choke me, they're going to say, hey, girl, what kind of freaky thing that?
No, well.
If you choke.
And everybody can manage it. You know. The choking thing is fun, you know, because the woman, them who like it, them really like it. And as you know, as somebody who love the choking thing, is a specific way you have to choke to make it exciting in a sort out and thing, and you know. But it's not for everybody.
But when you choke me squirt, and I feel like squirt is the ultimate next level of standing next to God. That feeling is nobody
but
can
tell me something, but why it turn you on when that look of roughness that go on, that choking and that box in her face when they start out?
Raga, no, I don't want to time I like domestic violence. I don't want to time I take
side of that, no guy can come deal with it them way.
No, cause you say I'm a dirty ex-husband, the same one, the dirty one will tell pa me, cause I'm an ex-husband now, I'm a married serialist, however you want to call me. I have no husband. I'm not ramp with them still, but so the last husband now, one day him must go in on my phone. Them time the WhatsApp, when WhatsApp first come on, we used to go, you know, when the picture go from your WhatsApp into your personal photos into the reel if you don't separate it.
Right.
I didn't know anything about that. So it must have gone on my phone and see one dick picture. Later on, I was going out. It was my birthday night, and I heard and I deleted the dick picture out the phone because I didn't want space. Not that I was hiding it. I did not hear them, Rugga. You do it, choke. Yeah,
but you know. No, you must do it. I've done it. Well, Momo, you know, so quite a few women out there like it and thing, but them not really make people know and thing or whatever, you know. And
but I don't know why.
No, and some women like it with to different degrees. Some women love hardcore choking, some women love a slight choke, and them know why you go to hard or whatever. But hold on, Momo. The choking thing a long time, somebody do, you know.
Yeah, but it make me squirt differently. But Raga, at the end of the day, me all want the man take them Timberland boot and knock him
No,
on my
well,
back when them a
that,
give me
no,
back shot.
Momo,
Take
that
pot
different,
cover,
no,
man.
that,
But like
Momo, that
excitement.
different, no. What you mean take a Timberland and a beat in
No,
your back when them a
me
send
like
on?
them excitement. Me no want a little boy. Me like excitement. Me want him, you know, just lick me. That's the only time I go take it. Me I tell you, say, so anyway, the ex-husband know me dey on top of him.
Yeah,
And we have sex now. I feel the man go so blow. But me I say, wait, hold on. In my head, me I say, Momo, I fuck box that. Me I talk to myself now, you know, cause me say the box kind of feel hot, Raga. I don't really feel like it hot. It's
right,
supposed to
right.
hot, but not so hot. So me go so now, and me look upon him. Me say, wait, me say, I want to you. Him say, yo, I want to you. You know, sister, me box you know your face all the time. I fuck box me, I give you what? So yeah, I
Yeah,
come suffer tonight now. So me I say, but me say that feel kind of hot, brother. I don't feel like fuck box. I'm there on top of him, you know, so then he might throat me and he
yeah,
might confuse
yeah.
me. But then me feel one next go so blow. Straight across me ears now. Me I say no one blood clot ears in this and me get up. Me say, yo, where you depan? Where you depan? A lick you just lick me? Cause now if you lick me, you know a different type of
Yeah.
me depan, you know. The man chop up and say, you act like me no fuck you rough all the time. You like them something, so you hype up yourself for my girl. Matter of fact, what dick picture doing on your
Oh,
phone.
and I saw it come out.
Yeah, so when me look at me, I feel say, I like he really lick me up a picture. And the man said, no. The man said, we are talking about kill him dead. And when me I tell him, say, WhatsApp, him call a friend. And the friend had to confirm to him. And then him come back and talk about, babes, me sorry. All that, even with that Raga. You know, said, he would never take the back seat. I saw him go sleep. I just go over to the closet and I did have an AK and I knock him on him jaw like me feel like Bunty and Merciless. And I say, what you just do to me earlier? Box me in
What
my
you do when
face.
the man asleep? You go for your AK-47 assault rifle and knock him on him
Yeah,
head and
damn
ask
right.
him, what you do?
Knock him. Knock him. I say, what you do earlier? The man frightened and roll off the bed. Mr. Box, you really box me? Because it registered to me. It's like, no, come here later on and I look upon him, Raga, say, you never, I know fuck box, so you really did a box me and it take like hours to register, so him really box me.
No, because it, me don't know about anybody else, but when you get sex box and thing, ears has no count. Ears has no sex box.
No, because sometimes, depending how you get it, is wherever the box land, you know, because if you move while it go on, it might him probably try grabbing a car, slap you on your jaw
Well,
and catch
yeah,
the ears.
but you know, say you
You
have a
understand?
straight up box where we in a Jamaica where we call ears as and that. Generally, that I know. Yeah, that I know.
Yeah. No, that one there one ears that come leaning to him. But me not gonna know
Yeah,
that. Remember, so I fuck all in
yeah.
the dark. Me not gonna know. But all we know say the first box never feel right at the second box.
See it there.
Confirm it.
See it there. See it there.
Somebody kind of, you know. But I don't know. I like bandage and stuff like that.
Momo,
I
here
like
we
tie
go
up.
on.
I like
Me
handcuff. I like them
you.
something
Me
there.
like talk to you and whatever. We learn from you. I think you're full of vibes and all these things. And here we go on. Me go let go know, you know, but the link there, you know, Momo. So me forward over here.
I dare me just make sure I follow you. Because from me coming, Antipus say, add Momo, go Momo. I say, yeah,
You see it, you
Antipus.
know. Who's I'm charge you for a long time, you
Yeah,
know,
I
man.
follow. I just
They're going to
follow you.
London.
Just me I listen to you from we used to have a call in per phone and me used to
See
give you
there.
trouble
After a
too.
long time, see there. All right, no say a word, man. Blessing and respect, man. I think, see? But me love your vibes, me
All
love
right,
your
good night,
energy,
big
me
up
love your vibe. Me
yourself.
love how you keep it real and keep it
Thank
100
you.
and things. See, no say a word, man. Blessings, yeah.
That's
Yeah,
how we do
man.
it. All right.
Why, people? In the night, you know, I test, but it just a test. I look a connection because I have one new microphone where me just run through the phone and all these things and one look a setup with one look a mix over here so whatever. So I say me I test the thing and see the thing end up more still fed up. And that angle here people so gonna follow. Big up yourself, Miss Butterfly, backup page and the whole I know and thing. Lady Ele, you don't know. Belinda bless. Big up yourself in the ratings and you don't know everything is everything. Big up all Italian over there, all Jamaican Italian, Belinda Bless Line Crew, Bologna and the whole works. And I always have to get to a place down in the south of Italy. Wait, me remember it one next time. Belinda, you can remind me. Just bless upon yourself. I just want to remind you, say, I'm going to do more of this, I'm going to do more live over here on Instagram. So, just look out for that. Also, I've been doing lots of shows over YouTube. For those of you who do YouTube too, it's Ragashanti TV. Ragashanti TV. So just make sure someone come over YouTube tomorrow afternoon. We have a show where we have every Friday, Free Up, hosted by yours truly, me, Ragashanti, 1 o'clock in the afternoon on YouTube. That's later tonight. That's later today now, because we're the next day, right? So again, it's Ragashanti TV. Ragashanti TV over YouTube. Make sure someone lock in on the thing over there. So hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of hours of mix-up entertainment, old school Ragashanti live shows from Jamaica years. The ones them when we had to know on IrieJam Radio and the Bridge 99 FM in Jamaica. Whole heap of free up show over there that I've been doing on Saturday night and Friday night. And just enough local vibes and things. See? So make sure, sir, to follow me over Ragashanti TV. That's what it's called, Ragashanti TV, over YouTube. And of course, on the done there already, so when I know the levels. So right, yes, I'm going to do more of that and thing. Yeah, man, Lady Illy, you don't know. We're going to nice it up and thing and whatever. And, and bring a different energy to the thing and do some other look at something when I have plans and plan and thing. All right? Take care of yourself. Again, whenever they plan to go so late tonight or whatever, but you don't do it, But take care of yourself, bless up on yourself and things. See? Sooner tomorrow, 1 o'clock in the afternoon, Ragashanti TV, YouTube. Free up, lock in. Patty and cocoa bread. You know, go to your bed. How the little one? How the baby? Baby, all right. Big up all of my Connecticut people, them and thing. Big up all of my Canada people, them. All of my people, them, Italy. Big up on myself. My Jamaican people, them, of course, my son, no? And thing, Mama Spice. Bless up yourself, man. Everything is everything, all right? Protection and blessings, people. I'm going to let it right, More life, more strength. Cool.